Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How's it going? Hey, what's up, Michaela? Thank you for hosting. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you all. Holy crap, I am so far behind on chat already, and we have just started. What? You guys are crazy today. Holy shit. Where's oh, I gotta say the date, right? It's August 7th of 2020. Welcome, welcome. It is Friday. Happy Friday to you all. Hopefully your Friday is going well. Mine's going pretty well. Let's see what I do today. I woke up early because I had to record a podcast. Well, I had to record a podcast. I got to record a podcast. I'm going to be on Test and Code, if you have listened to that before. It's a Python podcast about testing. I guess it's not specific to Python, but it's usually mostly Python related. But this time I was talking about PyTest, which was cool because PyTest just had its 6.0 release. And yeah, and if you guys... It's still very hard to see on the camera, but I got my hair repurpled, so it is much more purple now. But still, I mean, it still doesn't show up well on the camera. I need to get a better camera setup and lighting and stuff, but you know, it's more purple. You'll just have to trust me. Just, did you take a photo in real life? I forget. Anyway, let's catch up on chat. Holy crap. RKJ says first, indeed. How's it going, RKJ? Welcome back. Juicebox Hero says always second. RIP. What's my OpSec says, what operating system do you run, Anthony? I am Ubuntu and Windows, and yep. And if you check out Bang FAQ, you can look at the full list of things there. Hey, what's up, Dom DF Coding? Hello, welcome back. Good to see you. Who else we've got? We've got Valsbird. Oh, that's such a good joke. I love this stupid joke. Where is it? A programmer had a problem. He thought to himself, I know, I'll solve it with threads. Has now problems too, he. It's an interesting joke. Hey, what's up, Michaela? Ooh, what is this? What is this image? Am I gonna open this on stream? Do I trust you? I think it's good enough to show. Google, please stop showing me sex ads. I know there are desperate sluts in my area. I have a mirror. Hey, what's up, Marco Dev? Hello, welcome back. Good to see you. What's up, my OpSec says, GBH, you should get a fog machine. Why would you... Oh, because Jordan has a fog machine? Is that why she should get a fog machine? Seems like an odd reason. Marco Dev says, hey, Juicebox Hero, will you be in the stream? Not today. But Juice will be doing a special baking stream on Sunday, so check that out. Michaela says it's dat boy. Hey, what's up, iSatisfied? Hello. Welcome. Good to see you. Welcome to the stream. What's my OpSec says, True made like $90 with the fog machine and bits alone. What does that mean? Hey, what's up, Master Tech? How's it going? Welcome back. Good to see you. And Real Engine X, hello. Hey, what's up, Atlas Astro? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. RKJ says, I'm eating spicy fire chicken and now I can't feel my face. I have other reasons for not feeling my face, but I actually don't eat spicy fire chicken. But welcome back. What? What, Marco Dev? What is that supposed to mean? Forced to be on a podcast. Yeah, it's true. The bot is catching up. It's true. Michaela says, the hair is too dark to dye. Well, it is actually extremely purple in real life. Very purple. What's up, OpSec says, I love Pregament hooks now. Pregament hooks are amazing. Juice says, you're not wearing a shirt in that photo. Oh, the one that you took? Well then. He barely wears a shirt on stream. It's true. What's my OpSec says, why not use WSL? Just watch the movie, man. Or watch the video. I talk about this. I definitely talk about this. Just watch the video. Hey, what's up, Fixer Jake? Hello! How's it going? Fixer Jake says, last day of my internship today, got an offer, but I graduated in December and it's for next July. Apparently not changing either, and it's kind of pennies for software engineering. Well, if you want my advice about taking internships or taking full-time offers from internships, I would wait to sign because you will have different opportunities usually, almost always. So that's my advice there. Don't let them pressure you into like, oh, well, your expire is an expiring offer. It's like, well, you'll usually be able to still get the offer later. They just want you to force and lock into that. But Atlas Astro says, I love spicy food. I really like spicy food too. Master Jack says, get some LED wash lights. Yeah, so I'm planning to do like dithering white lights that go behind my two screens to hopefully illuminate things better. So like I don't know why Photos app is broken on Windows. Like, this is the most simple fucking app, but it's broken. So I gotta like open it like 3 or 4 times. Come on. Oh, fuck it. We'll just open with paint. Oh, there we go. Okay, it loaded this time. But yeah, I'm planning to put like a light here and a light here to kind of like forward light me, so I'm a little bit more forward lit. But also I'm planning to use white lighting, because right now all of my lighting is yellow, so that's why everything is slightly yellowish. But I'll have some white balance, which will hopefully fix that out. I'm also planning to upgrade my camera at some point to you know, have a little bit of better camera stuff there, and update my keyword camera. Oh, speaking of keyword camera, I forgot to turn it back on. Because I usually turn it off when I record my YouTube videos, but I forgot to turn that on. Activate. Now I've got keyboard, and you'll notice that my nails are no longer pink. I undid those. JB Pratt has resubscribed with Twitch Prime for 4 months. Thank you, JB Pratt. Appreciate it. Welcome back. Good to see you as well. Marco says my light is bad. Yeah. We'll fix it eventually. What is this clip? What's my obstac? What are we watching here? Is this safe? Is this safe to watch? I assume so. It's a clip, right?
$25 a month. How do you have hours to watch me and not $25? 25.
Is he complaining about tier 3 subs somehow? Oh, that's that photo. That's the purple Twitter photo. But anyway, he says, tell us what the heck that special surprise is, Anthony. Then I can go back to my RPG. Not yet, Michaela. Soon. Let me get caught up, and then we'll talk about that. Hey, what's up, Brathino? Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. Juice says, because Anthony took his Yelp offer after his internship? Yeah. Yeah, I could have made way more money not taking my Yelp offer. Noctis S tier says, hi, you work at Yelp? No, but I did in the past. Victor Jake says, I do have one for 10,000 more, but currently waiting for my security clearance. Nice. Awesome.
Everyone stop saying stuff so we can hear the surprise.
It's true, Juice. Everyone needs to stop talking. Real Engineer says, isn't it because of that shit indexing process? You shouldn't need to index to block the Photos app. There's literally no reason for that. GNU plus Windows, yes. Okay. You hecking tease. Tier 3 sub meme for the tier 1 sub meme. What? There's a surprise? Yes, there is a surprise. Wait. Just put it in slow mode. What? This is the first time my channel has ever been in slow mode. But welcome, chat. Yes, there is a surprise today, Milky. Let's fire up the chatbot first. So I wrote a little bit of code. This is super dumb. I'm so sorry. This is fucking dumb. But I wrote a bit of code. Well, I want to talk about what I did last time first. Okay. I wrote a little bit of code offline because Shazarobot suggested that I make a partner app command, which shows like how long it's been since I applied. And so I wrote this command, and I haven't actually tested it yet. So I think this code works. It's basically a little while loop over dates from the day that I applied until today, and it increments by 1 day increments at a time, and it counts up the number of days since I applied for partnership, and it should spit out at the end like how many it's been. What? What, Real Engine X? Wait, is it broken? I got partner, guys. I got it. So I got a little notification this morning that says, congrats, you've just unlocked access to the exclusive Twitch partner program. Hey, what's up, Bugrab, KillMZ? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. So, I think I can click some buttons and become partner now. Would you guys like to do it together? I don't have a check mark yet because I haven't clicked these buttons yet. But are you guys ready for this? We're gonna do it together. Hey, what's up, iSatisfied? Thank you for the subscription. Appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Oh man, my phone is going nuts right now. But I think we click through this tab. Hopefully, okay, so let's hope that Twitch doesn't just like dox me from clicking on this tab, because it's entirely possible, but you know what, fuck it, we only get to do this once, right? And I guess we could just click this button, right? And I've already read this because it's the same as the affiliate one, but ever so slightly different. So, you know, scroll to the end and click this agree button. Juice says, hey, wait, stop. Wait, what? 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 What, Juice? What do I think there's some doxing after this? God fucking damn it. Come on, Twitch. Do it off screen? Okay, I'll do it off screen, but I'm gonna actually click the button. No, it just took me to the screen, so it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. But I think I have to click through the onboarding stuff. Oh. Nothing to do. Yay! I'm partnered! We did it! But I just want to say thank you, all of you, for making this possible. I never thought I would get to this stage at all. Like, streaming for me was always just like something to do. But you guys have like really made my channel pop off a lot, like in a huge way. And yeah, I've never been able to get here without you guys. But we did it! I have a little check mark now, apparently. But we did it! Hey, what's up, No Muscles? Thank you for the follow. And Juice has gifted 5 subs! Starting off with a bang today, I guess. Welcome to Tinker and Think, Octal, Simplex for 2 months, Warrenov, and Fried Beefed. Fried Beefed! Do people fry beef? Is that a thing? But anyway, welcome everyone to Subdom now. And yeah, anyway, that was the surprise. I spent way too long on this stupid bot thing. I thought it'd be funny, but you know, this code actually does work, is the dumb thing. But there's this fucking sneaky. I am actually running this version of the code too. I'll see if anyone picks up on what I actually did and how I made this stupid thing work. But it's a thing. It's a thing. And Juice has cheered 1,000 bits. Happy Partner Day. It's true. It's true. We finally got. I'm like fucking shaking. Like usually I don't get this excited about stream, but today. Anyway. But yeah, I'll give you the spoiler here. So it looks like it should be a legit command. Like it's basically the same as this command up here. But I did a sneaky thing, and this is again like why decorators are not necessarily a good idea in Python, because they can be really tricky. Hey, what's up, Abduino? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, so this decorator is actually different than this decorator up here. I made a separate decorator called commands. Oh shit, right! Because I'm partner now, a bunch more people are gonna get a founder badge, because they expand out the number of subs that get founders. So, Sarcastic Dante, you now have a founder's badge. But yeah, I did a little sneaky thing up here with def commands. So instead of the command decorator, I made a commands decorator, and it just returns a no-op decorator and puts a sneaky inner command into here that does this extra little message here. And so that's how the code works there. But pretty tricky. Also, my bot has a founder badge. That's fucking funny. But anyway, this is how I pulled this off. But now I am hilariously behind on chat. But yeah, I'm okay being behind on chat. Let me catch up on chat. It's gonna take a while. But I assume it's mostly just like people saying congrats. So let's see. People being excited about that. Yes, indeed. Milky missed it. Well, I'm partner. Congrats to me. I'm glad you were here for it, Milky, though. Oh, do I have a checkmark in chat? Is the question. Do I have a checkmark in chat? I don't have my checkmark yet, so apparently we'll unlock that eventually, but I don't have my checkmark yet. Juicebox Hero gifted you a tier 1 sub to Pokemon. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why I don't have a checkmark, Juice. I don't know what's up with that, but I'll get it at some point. But yeah, how's it going, AMDWI? Welcome to the stream. Good to see you again. I didn't get doxxed. We're good. Now you can make a beginner video on git commit reverting, says JB Pratt. Yeah. Soul says, I'm Mr. Surprised. What is it? I'm partnered, brother. It happened. He's faking it, says Arcade Check. Yeah, fortunately the onboarding stuff doesn't dox me because I did the onboarding for affiliate, and so it's all just the same there. Arthena says, ayaya. Sola says, I'm so proud of you, Oni-chan. RJ says, I'm not crying, it's just something in my eye. It's true. Real Next says, we need a hello team now. Now that you're partnering, you need more emotes. It's true. I do have the ability to do... How is this thing? How does this work? Where is the thing? Is it under affiliate? Emotes. I have... I have 12 unused emote slots, so... we can fill a lot of those out. So if you guys have suggestion for emotes, we can make that happen. It also means that we can actually set up like sub goals for that. Oh, because it's like my next sub goal is 300 subs for another emote, but we don't even have those filled out yet. So we gotta make some emotes. That's gonna happen. Hey, what's up, Adenine? Hello. Welcome to the stream. Striker says, "Grats, Anthony." Thank you, Striker. It's good to see you again. Emote making stream, please. I'm so garbage at pixel art though, but we can make some emotes. Polar Junction has founder now too. Congrats, Polar Junction. Oh man, that means you've been around for a real long time. But yeah, a bunch of people should have gotten the founder badge, which replaces your normal sub badge for those of you that are very, very old loyal to the stream. What's Mapsuck says there's 1,700 Twitch staff accounts on Twitch. How do you know that many accounts? Carlos Savelaneda says, hi, what distro to use? This is Ubuntu 2004. If you do bang FAQ, you can check out more about my setup. Michaela says, I want to be a quarter founder with cheese. What is your link, RKJ? Oh shit! Do I actually have the checkmark now? Is that actually a thing? It doesn't show up in chat yet, which maybe I just have to configure that. I have the checkmark! Hey, what's up, Simp Alexi? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. All caps PNG. Is that picture from Windows 95? Maybe. Although I guess Paint will also save it with upper caps PNG as well. Adrian DAA says hello. Welcome Adrian. Good to see you. Michaela says, I know, right? I'm not that special because, well, you have VIP, Michaela. That's pretty special. Next up, Twitter checkmark. So the weird thing is, like, I probably have enough followers on Twitter to get verified, but
you can only clickbait title. You got partner once, Anthony.
You can set my title, Juice. Go for it. but thank you for the bits. But yeah, you can. Why don't you set my clickbait title, Juice? Thank you for the bits, Milky. Appreciate it. Founder is like the first subs. Yeah, it's the first N subs in the channel. So that's how that works. If you refresh your page, it gives checkmark. Oh, if I refresh chat, it'll give me checkmark. Is that how that works? Okay. We can set the title. We'll set the title. We will set the title. Oh, just already did it for me. Newly partnered XLift tech lead does open source Python programming and pre-commits. Yeah, there we go. Get the double clickbait in there. Milky says, for real huge congrats. Thank you, Milky. Appreciate it. I'm still 4 minutes behind. Arthena says, ay. Didn't realize it was Friday. It is Friday. Fried Beef says, what do you have to do to get partnered, and what can you do now that I couldn't do before? So the thing about partner is you have to, there's 3 requirements. It's like stream, I think it's 15 times, or is it 12 times a month? I think it's stream 12 times a month, average 75 average viewers. That's the hard one. That was the hard one for me. And some number of hours of content. The hours of content was super easy. Getting the average viewer count was the very, very hard part of getting partner. But you know, the last 2 months I've averaged over 75 viewers per stream. I've been hovering around like 80 to 90 for each stream, and so yeah, that's what did it for me. That's how I got over the hump to being able to apply. And then you apply, and they're super backed up on partnership applications right now. They're supposed to reply within 7 business days, but mine actually took 29. But it's fine. We got it eventually. But that's how it goes. G says, I gotta eat lunch. Congrats again. Be back in a bit. Well, thank you again. Again for the bits and the subs and the congrats, and we did it, chat. But I'll see you when you get back, Juice. 3 emotes is not enough. It's true. We gotta get more emotes. You gotta take it easier then. Grab a beer, write Anthony not right code, and enjoy the show. All right, once I get caught up on chat, I'll go grab a beer, because then we can, we're gonna celebrate a little bit. We're gonna have some fancy beers. But yeah, I'll go grab that once I'm caught up on chat. Milky says, shiny Dragonite emote, please. Well, we'll probably do a shiny Umbreon before we do a shiny Dragonite, because we actually have a shiny Umbreon plushie. Mikhail says, can we get rid of Anthon63 now? We can, so we should decide what my new emote prefix is going to be, because we can finally change that. So that'll be cool. Once I get caught up on chat, stop gaslighting us, Anthony. Milky says 10 bits, that's all my money. Nice. Milky says, did you unbutton your shirt from Juicebox Hero gift subs? I did not, Milky. I forgot. Thank you for the reminder. I was so excited about getting partner that I did not unbutton for Juice. But there we go. We're good. Bang title undresses for subs. Yeah. Dude, drink 17 beers? I don't think I have 17 beers right now. Necklaire says, I still got my shiny Eevee. Are you still trying? Are you still gonna make it happen? Pythony63 says Skyblue. Skyblue, you also have a founder badge. Nice. Welcome. Milky says, bro, the best part of your stream is me literally waiting for you to unbutton your shirt. Make the prefix Anthonerd. Anthonerd. Oh, I see. I thought this was like a Linker D joke. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a beer. I will be right back, chat. I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright, I'm back. I have, oh, this is the wrong size. This is supposed to be a normal size beer, but this is, what? 550 ml? But anyway, we're gonna be drinking a organic chocolate stout, as we do.
Closing parentheses.
Melky has subscribed. Thank you for the subscription, Melky, for 2 months. Appreciate it, friend. Oh, we gotta pow it, because it's Melky, right? Pow! But anyway, and I am opening it. Oh, I guess that's not the right scene. Maybe a little blasphemous, but I'm opening it with a lift bottle opener. But hey, what's up, MT Senkov and Przemic? Thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Boxster Owner says congratulations to my favorite streamer. Thank you, Boxster Owner, and welcome back. Good to see you. Necklark says, I haven't shiny hunted ever since my box got filled up. I don't want to release them. Oh, yeah, you don't really, You got that attachment to all of those EVs. How many EVs did you hatch? Because it's supposed to be, if you're doing it right, like 1 in 500-ish. But I know that feel. You don't want to release anything. But anyway, cheers to you, chat. Arthena says, where do you get these weird beers? So these are sold at the Bevmo, which is near my house. There's actually this really cool delivery service called Drizzly, where I can basically do some stuff online, and they show up at my store, or show up at my door. Actually, the last time I did a Drizzly order, I super fucked up. I was drinking a beer as I ordered it, and I kind of just like fell asleep on my bed, and then I woke up to like 6 missed calls and like several text messages and like somebody banging on my door. And yeah, because you have to sign to pick stuff up, so I felt so bad because he had been out there for 20 minutes waiting for me to like pick my stuff up, because apparently with alcohol they can't take it back and they can't keep it. They literally have to wait until somebody signs for it. And so yeah, I felt so bad about that. It was awful. But yeah, that's where I get those. Hey, what's up, James, who says, yum, haven't had a stout in a while. This is a good stout. It's a good stout. What do you got now? What do you got this time, Michaela? What is this? Oh, I grabbed the wrong. I literally just searched my... It's amazing. When I search my current stream title, it goes to Pregament.com. Is this the Babby logo? Is this like a Vim knockoff? Is that what we're going for there? Took me 5,000 hours. I see. Milky says, is that a chilled cup? Yes, this is straight out of the freezer. A nice iced cup. You know, we drink classy around here. Kit Kat says, how do you like that keyboard? It's good. It works. It's ergonomic. I actually like my other keyboard better, but this one's still pretty good.
Congrats on partner.
Hey, our Redemption, thank you for resubscribing with Twitch Prime for 2 months in a row and 7 total. Oh, you just got a founder badge too. Congrats, our Redemption. But thank you for the subscription. Appreciate it. RKJ says Saliente. I don't know what that means. What did I just say? What terrible thing did I just say? Melky says, I can't believe I've only been subbed to you for 2 months because I think you were the second person I ever subbed to. Nice. Michaela says it's not a knockoff, it's completely original. Hey, what's up, John Lucas Luke, who says, congrats on partnership. Yes, I did it. Okay, wait, I want to see if I have... Do I have the check mark in chat yet? Do you guys see the check mark? Because I don't see the check mark. Do I have to do something to fix that? I know my stream has a check mark, but chat doesn't seem to have it. So I don't know what's up with that. Maybe I have to like configure my user settings. I don't know how that works. Click the little gear at the bottom. Chat settings. How do you... Oh, switch to non-mod settings. There we go. Edit badges. Oh. Verified. Okay, I think that'll set that now. Hey, what's up, No Muscles? Thank you for the subscription. Appreciate it. Welcome. Okay, so if I set that now, does that change how this works? And now if I do test, Hey, there we go. Oh, but my chatbot doesn't support partner. Okay, I think the first thing we're gonna be doing today is making my chatbot support partner, because I think that's kind of important. RKJ says it's not rude. Google it. Okay. I will Google it. Let's see, google.com. I'm Googling it off screen though. It means health in Irish and Scottish Gaelic. Nice. Okay, cool. I didn't know that. I guess you learn something every day. Oh, we got a hype train. We got the scam train is going. Silly sleepy drunk Anthony. Yeah, it's true. I have not shiny hunted in a while. I also have not been shiny hunting for a while. It's been a while, but. Okay, yeah, but I changed it now, so now it should show my little verified check mark. Tech lies about being partnered. No, it's true. Pratt says, "Wait, what Twitch partnership?" It means that I'm one of the few special people that get a little check mark next to my name. Also, I don't know. There's a whole bunch of stuff to it. Like I think the revenue split changes as well. Let's see, is it under achievements or channel analytics? Oh, I see. The revenue split is for tier 2 and tier 3 subs. I get it. I see. The revenue split is same for tier 1 subs, so nothing really changes there, but that's cool nonetheless. But I can also, I think I can like upload VODs, and I can keep videos around for longer. I get to change my emote prefix, and I get to give my bot a sub, so I don't have to continue paying for my bot sub. And I get to boast the new checkmark. That's true, Zhao Lucas Luke. That's definitely true. No Muscle says, picking up good vibes here. Congrats on partner, and thank you again for subscribing, No Muscles. Appreciate it. Hey, what's up, Nerdy Laka? Hello. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, let's figure out what we're gonna do for that little icon here. So we gotta pick out a check mark that we're gonna put in here. Check mark Unicode. So we gotta pick one. Ooh, this one might just work. Echo this. Cool, that'll work. And so now we gotta pick the color from this. We'll show you the jank ass way that I do this. Let's see, open image in new tab. I've learned a new way to do this with Chrome. I know how to do this in Firefox. In Firefox, there's just like a color picker right here. But in Chrome, you gotta do this whack ass thing to get the color here. Wait, it's not working. Where's the little thing? Where's the fucking... What? There's supposed to be a way to look at the color? Oops. You're supposed to be able to click this. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we click that, and then we can grab the color picker, and then I can grab the purple out of here. Obnoxious. So we grab that, and then we go here, and then we do this, because I have to get the color in decimal and not in hex. So I can convert the color like this, and that's how we get that. Oh, I also need to find... Ooh, yeah, that one's way better. I like that one better. Zhao Lucas Luke. I like that one. The box is good. I think we'll use that one instead. Michaela says, I like the Windows Unicode checkmark the most. Make the dev tools bigger, you grindle donger. Okay, we got it. Maybe the one, yeah, we're gonna use the one with the box on it. Brokemir says, where's the, the thing? He pulled a Biden. Oh, okay. All right. Pratt says, celebrate the partnership by doing one more 24-hour stream. We might do a 12-hour stream. Maybe. We'll see. We'll think about that. But yeah, we're gonna use this. I need to actually figure out what the badge looks like, so I gotta run this in verbose mode. Does it say the badge is partner? Okay, that was easy. So the band is partner, so we should be able to bot.py, go to here. Let's put it next to broadcaster. Partner. And then this is the color part. We gotta do this. Hey, what's up? No Good Nick, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. We're just doing a very simple thing today to add a partner badge so that I can do this now. And oh, I forgot to change the Unicode character. Partner. And I think this actually needs to go last. Oh, where's that little check mark? Who posted the check mark? Jean-Lucas Luke. Okay, we're gonna copy. Ah! Stop talking so I can copy this box. There we go. Paste that in there. And we'll fix this. And hey, we get a little check mark in the terminal now. Get add dash p. We're gonna add this, but not that. My sneaky little code in here. Support partner badge in TwitchBot. Which is pretty dope. McKenna says badges. But badges. Alright, Michaela. Howdy, partner. It's true. Nixative says, congrats on partnership. Yes. Thank you, Nixative. Also good to see you again. Welcome back. Shazarot says, holy shit, it happened. Congrats. You worked really hard for this. It's true. It's basically been like, you know, two years of streaming leading up to this. And yeah, we did it, chat. You guys and I did it. Because I feel like a big part of this is you guys as the viewers, and you know, not so much just me babbling at chat, you know? And hello again, No Good Nick. Good to see you. Master Tech says easy button. Easy. Mikhail says the snake is what it should be when it shows the sub badge thing. Oh yeah, we've been able to change the sub badge. I just haven't done it yet. If you guys have suggestions for, you know, oh, we can do bit badges now. That's another thing that partner gives you. So I can do bit badges, I can do sub badges. I could already do those. I just hadn't done them yet. I have a bunch of emote slots, so if you guys have emote ideas, leave them in the stream chat on Discord, and we'll make those happen. Hey, what's up, Swills? Welcome back. Good to see you again. Who says congrats on partner? Thank you. Michaela says, is Solus going to be on a stream? Well, my brother's on the other side of the country right now, but maybe. Broken Mirrors says congrats. Thank you, Broken Mirrors. Hey, what's up, Summersoft? Good to see you again. Who says deserved? Babbling or babbling? Oh, I've got the hiccups again. Deathfark TV says, oh hell yeah, congrats bud, hopefully that 16+ hour stream was worth it after all. It was a good stream, I really liked that. Neclark says, does this mean you can submit custom sub badges now? I could always do that before, but yeah, we should make that happen. We should make some sub badges. And then 63 Prey, yeah, we should get that going. But yeah, is Michaela Fox also a bot? No, she just types really fast. Really fast. Michaela says, Juicebox donates the most bits, so does that make her a massive bit donor? That's pretty good. It's pretty good. Chesterwood says, I'm thinking of some good meme sub battles right now. Let's make it happen. Michaela versus Anthony and Type Racer, we gotta see. Okay, we'll do a Type Racer. Michaela's gonna kick my ass. She's really good at Type Racer. Also, I'm drinking. That's my excuse, right? Alright, I'll actually give you guys all the Type Racer links, so you can all join right now. We can do a special celebratory Type Racer. But show up, and we'll make this happen. Oh, right, I pasted the link isn't clickable. Diaper forgets to put the slash in there, and Twitch's link thing doesn't do the thing. All right, we're gonna do 2 rounds because not many people joined this one. But yeah. No. I was winning at the beginning, but then Guest, who says, frick, I only got 130 minutes per minute. Only 130, Michaela. Goddamn. But I was actually winning at the beginning. Until the end where I fucked up and like... See, I was doing like 140, 137, and then 50 words per minute. The end for me was pretty bad. But, let's see. I made a mistake and paused way too long. Yeah, I just derped. Shaz says, I gotta do some work, but congrats again. I might be back later. Have a good stream. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around. Lost Algorithm says, congrats on making partner, Anthony. Yes, I did it. Okay, we're gonna do one more of these. But thank you for the congratulations. Oops, we want to join this. It's off the screen. Ah. I'll get your follow notification in a second. Sorry. That was real bad. That's real bad. But hey, what's up, Chard P. Bother? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, this was super slow for me. Oh well. Such is life. Such is life. Solo says I was not in yours, but I won the one I was in. Nice. Netflix says 76 words per minute. That's a new record for me. Nice. Solo says oof, last bad today. Darth Park TV says damn, I'm trash. Yeah, Michaela, you got exactly 130 the second time again. Shikarud says only 137 and my keyboard is not English. Wow. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Swill says, 5th, an improvement. Takes me a while to get used to reading and typing at the same time. Yeah, for me, reading is the slow part. Also, I didn't realize that Shelly had an extra E in it, so I got stuck up on that. But yeah, typing out thoughts is way easier. I definitely agree with that. Okay. But anyways, let's do some normal stream content today. Now that we're all caught up in everything, and I've got my fancy little check mark now. But okay, so some of the stuff that I did offline, I didn't do any real open source work since last time, or since the time before, I guess, according to this. But I did do a bunch of work on Precommit CI. I don't really have much to show for it. I can just show you some of the code changes that I made. But yeah, Anthony doesn't write code. Come on, brother. But yeah, so I did some Precommit CI work while, you know, just kind of lounging around yesterday. A couple of things changed in all 3 of these repositories, Terraform, Packer, and Precommit CI. So let's look at all 3 of those. So since last time, I fixed the flaky install. This was really, really obnoxious. But for some reason, sometimes this install Ruby command would just be like, Ruby? What's Ruby? I don't know what Ruby is. What's Ruby? But I don't know. I assume, so I'm pretty sure this is because the T2 micro instances are just like really shit instances. Like they have bad disk IO, they have, you know, bad network, they have probably, you know, flaky EBS connections, and they have 1 processor and 1 gig of RAM. So there's all sorts of things that just could go wrong there. But fortunately, Packer has this max retries thing, so I just set this to like 3, and this seems to be pretty consistent. Like reasonably consistent. I might bump this up to 5 or something, but this made this a lot better, a lot more betterer. The other thing that happened is so AWS has this really annoying thing where it will figure out your role and your credentials using the metadata service, but it doesn't figure out your AWS region. And I'm all of my stuff that I'm doing is single region. I'm not doing multi-region stuff because I don't think there's any like real reason to do that at this point or even later, because it's, you know, it's one service, and the per region. I mean, it's good to have like per AZ failover and maybe per region failover, but I don't have a reason to do that yet. And especially when I do that, you know, AMIs are per region, so I'm gonna probably have a different AMI for each region anyway. But what I did is I put AWS default region into Etsy environment. This makes it so that every environment on an AWS host that's launched with this image will get that region set automatically. Actually, if we start one of those, which I need to start one anyway to poke around with some stuff. Instances. Launch instance. We'll pick my AMI. So I rebuilt the AMI a bunch of times. And we need to give it the role, which we set up this runner role last time. This is the one that has SQS. And we can do this. Oh, another cool thing that I did was I used Terraform to upload my public key. So I can just use my normal SSH key that I use for everything else. And I don't have to use a special Amazon key for this. And so now I can just use my Acetilly key and launch that way. Michaela says, now that you're a partner, are you going to go to BTTV and FFZ and add a bunch of new emotes? I added a few last time. I don't know. I don't use BTTV or FFZ, so I don't really know. Neclark says, your sub badge could be different colored shirt buttons. Ooh, that's an interesting idea. I like that idea. Michaela says 1 GB RAM. Yes, the Giga RAM. It's like a Pokemon almost. Are there any RAM Pokemon? There's like Bouffalant and Tauros, kind of. I guess Tauros is a RAM, right? Right? So 1 Giga Tauros? Something like that? Summerstuff says 1.21 Giga RAMs is the sweet spot though. Hey, what's up, Roomy999? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Neclar says it'll be like handing a sub a literal button. It's true. Kel says 1.21 Jiggly RAMs. What is the 1.21 joke? I don't understand that. It doesn't make sense to me. Summerstuff says, the Poke RAM, superior in all ways. Oh, there's Double also. I forgot about Double. Sub badge can be the pre-commit logo. Yeah, but you kind of want to have like different sub badges for like the different lengths of time. So you like, you know, incentivize people to sub more, I guess. Something like that. Kayla says, well, this is BTTV, so. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'll give you this one. I do really like Bongo Cat, so you got me. You got me there, Michaela. That's true. Back to the Future. Wait, what? What? Back to the Future. Where? How do what? Are we time traveling now? Okay, but anyway, I should be able to SSH to this using my credentials now. So SSH Ubuntu at this, so I don't need to do the special test pair key thing, mabobber, and I should be able to just SSH this. But I can now use caller identity. Oh, I don't have AWS CLI, right? Curl. virtualenv.pyz. Let me just get an environment set up here. Normally, I won't have any of this stuff installed because we're just gonna have services that are running, but since I'm doing some amount of interactive development, it kind of makes sense to install some tools here. Nabby, IdrisCly, and virtualenv. We'll get those going. Windward Hive says, does Anthony really writes code though? Windward Hive. Why you gotta say true things like that? Why you gonna say such true things like that? But yeah, I do write code sometimes. We're gonna hopefully be writing some code today. Hopefully. Alright, what is this emote that... What do you got this time, Arthino? I was okay with the keyboard count one, but Juice says I'm kind of back, but looking for the meetings. Welcome back, Juice. Good to see you. Jay Phils, how's it going, friendo? Who says, whoa, in there it's code with a check mark. I got it today. I clicked the button on stream. We did it. I am indeed partnered, which is amazing. Get caller identity. So this should say role/runner. Yes, assumed role runner. Cool. Cool. Which is pretty dope. Hey, thank you for the bits, Jay Phils. Appreciate it. But oh yeah, you also stream. Let me give you a shout out while you're here. You guys should check out Jay Phils' channel. Also, look, we updated my bot, so now there's a little partner badge in the terminal too. We did it. Okay, I get it now. No muscles. 1.21 gigawatts is the Back to the Future reference. Okay, I get it. Isn't it gigawatts though? In that, isn't that the joke? That's supposed to be funny. I don't. It's been a while since I watched Back to the Future, and I was a little trashed when I watched it because college. But that's the way things go. Way to ruin my jokes. It's okay. I wouldn't have understood otherwise. But I do appreciate the joke there. J. Phil says, appreciate it. To set expectations, my name doesn't have writes code in it, so we aim to, but don't always write code. I mean, that sounds like my stream too, to be completely honest, but yeah. Swill says, the doc says it wrong. Yes, cool. Are you guys just gonna be posting BTTV and having me decide? I literally just searched Control V. We've already got a Python. We've already got a Python 1. We don't need another one. We got the Python, which is superior to the Python. Oh, this is Coding Gardens emote. I see. Hey, what's up, Eldathis? Hello. Welcome back. How are you doing? And Belana says, congrats! I did it, indeed. But yeah, one thing that I set up last stream and we didn't get to verify it, I fucking hate the IdrisCly, is I got SQS to work in a read-only fashion in this. We never actually tested it though. But we should be able to do this now. Is this loud for you guys, or is this sound alright? Hey, what's up, off the band? Hello, welcome back. Good to see you. Q URL. Get Q URL. Help. Q name. So QUEWE name. So I have a FIFO queue set up and it's called run.FIFO. And I'm supposed to use this URL here. It's interesting that it's an HTTPS URL. That seems a little bit weird. But, oh god, what have I done? AWS SQS received message, Q URL this. And it uses the default blocking timeout of 20 seconds. If we catch this fast enough, I should be able to do AWS SQS What is it? Is it put item? Put item Q URL this. Fuck, I don't remember what it is. We were not fast enough. Okay, but if there's no results in the queue, you just get an empty result back, which is pretty awesome. It's not put item. It's send message. Send message. Message body. Okay. Q URL this message body. Hello world. Oh, I also need group key. Is that what it is? Oh, I forgot quotes. Fuck. Message group ID. That's what it is. Message group ID. Okay, so we can send a message here. You can see that it sent that there, and we should be able to receive the message over here, which is good. And then the receive message is actually a two-part API. You need to receive it, and then you do your work or whatever, and then you mark it as received. AWS SQS help, which is what? Delete message. Delete message help. AWS SQS delete message. Receipt handle is this bad boy. Bug. And then Q URL is this. So that will mark it as received. That's how you manage the queue stuff there. So this is working. It's working. It says this video is either unavailable or not supported in this browser. Can you not watch YouTube videos on Ubuntu? Oh wait, is that what it said when I searched for V? What? These all look fine. Maybe you're missing a codec? It seems like it's working for me. Offman says, good to see you too. Indeed, indeed. BBHQ Mike says, are you ex-married too? No, I'm not. I'm not ex-married, BBHQ Mike. I've never been married. Solis says, these are some of the Discord emotes that I have. Oh, those are pretty good. I like that. Recursive Chat says, what's the new partner all about, sir? Okay, that's what you meant, BBHQ Mike. I just became a partner on Twitch. So I have a little check mark next to my name and a bunch of perks related to that. But it means that I'm an established streamer that, I guess produces content that Twitch seems to think that is good, and a bunch of you guys show up and watch my streams and stuff like that. But yes, that's why I'm partnered. AWS US East 1 says you can put all your items in me, Anthony. It's true, I am in US East 1. AWS US East 1. That's where my machines are. Off the band says still working on pre-commit. I don't know that I'll ever be done working on pre-commit. But yes, I'm still working on pre-commit CI. We're working on getting it set up in AWS today. Okay, I'm gonna look between the two of these, but I really like Bongo Cat, so yeah, we got Bongo Cat. You happy there? You happy there? Dun says Dr. Disrespect streaming on YouTube in 2 minutes pog. Really? Really? So whatever he did that was super bad on Twitch, I guess YouTube doesn't know about it, or are they gonna ban him too? We'll see what happens there. Hey, what's up, Dad TTV? Hello, welcome back. And Konik, who's resubscribed with Prime for 5 months. Thank you for resubscribing, Konik. Welcome back. Good to see you again, as always. Not a mod lols. Yeah, I mean, we were just joking about banning. We don't ban people unless they spam, or unless they're shitty bots. So we're usually pretty accepting to people talking in chat. Michaela says, did he say delete message? I didn't, but that would have been funny. Summerstop says, Feels Michaela, it's like there's a Doc bot that just feels the need to permeate itself into every stream's chat and let us know Doc is streaming on YouTube. Oh wait, is Dun a bot? I don't feel like you're not a bot. Juice says he has a partner too though. It's true, it's true. It's true, I've got Juicebox Hero. Arthena says Anthony is my favorite just chatting streamer. God damn it, guys. God damn it, guys. Hey, what's up, Dim Sum Card? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Who says, howdy, partner. Congrats. Thank you, thank you. Darthar TV says, what was he did ever uncovered? I don't think so. Juice says, Dim Sum is hands down the thing I miss the most from pre-COVID. So here's the thing, Juicebox Hero. There is a dim sum place in San Mateo, and we can go there. They are open, and they're doing like their distancing thing. But there is a dim sum place in San Mateo that we can go to. Arthena says pool stream when? I don't have a pool. I don't know anyone that has a pool either. Didn't mean to accuse Dun of being an actual bot. Okay. I see. Audacious Ferris says that coffee or Coke? It is neither. It is beer. Because, you know, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, but we're drinking a Samuel Smith's Organic Chocolate Stout to celebrate becoming a partner. But yeah. Deathmark TV says, I just got the pre-commit joke. Was that intentional? Because it's amazing. Wait, did I actually make a pre-commit joke? I was actually talking about, you know, the software that I wrote called pre-commit. The software that we're working on stream about pre-commit. Was there something else? Was there some other joke that I made about pre-commit? Because it was unintentional. Hey, what's up, Shoddy? How's it going? Welcome back. Good to see you. As always, Shoddy says, food. Yeah, food is fucking good. I'm hungry now. I just had breakfast too. How am I already hungry? It's like 1 p.m. I've been streaming for like one hour and it's already hungry. Already hungry. She says, shut up, we're doing it tomorrow. Yes, please. Yeah, hopefully they're still open. They were open last time I walked by. Michaela says Marnie is his wife. Marnie's like 10 fucking years old. We've gone over this. We cannot talk about the kidlets. We are not Smash players. Michaela says doing it lewd. Oh, because Juice says shut up, we're doing it tomorrow. Oh no. Oh no. Shadi says, is it International Beer Day? Anytime. Or is it International Beer Day today? Anytime is a good one for a beer. Well, I decided to grab a beer because it's because I got partnered. Because I'm celebrating. But yes. Sarcastic Dante says, I've got a pool. Multiprocessing.pool.pool. It's true. That is a pool. There is actually kind of a not so great exception from multiprocessing pool that says it just says pool is closed, which never mind. Michaela says, I like my men like I like my beer, organic, chocolate, and stout. Okay. Hey, what's up, Kyle Wiggs? Thank you for subscribing with Twitch Prime. Appreciate the subscription and welcome to the stream. Good to have you. Yeah, drinking at 1 p.m. It's true, it is 1 p.m. So, if judge me as you will as I slur my way through the stream, right? Roller says, did Longboy faint from you getting partner? Is Longboy doing all right? Longboy's doing all right. He's Noodle's hanging out here. He's doing all right. I realized that if I make Noodle stand straight up, then it looks like a penis. So we've let Noodle kind of lay down a little bit more. But yes, Noodle's laying down. Roller says hello and congrats. Thank you, Rollers. Appreciate it. Mila says I made a joke about pre-commit, but it didn't get a laugh from Anthony. Did I miss it? Michaela? Is it? Wait. What? Oh. Oh. Yeah. I see. I got you, Michaela. So it says, pretty sure Sophia is his waifu from Pokemon, yeah. From Pokemon, yeah. Just says, ouch, too soon about Smash. It's true. Michaela. Alright. RKJ says, concurrency does not equal parallelism. It's true. So it says that's all you need to know about Pokemon, to be honest. It's the hentai? I feel like that's not... What? What? Python Codebot says something boomer something. Hey there, Anthony Redscode. How's it going? Python Codebot, welcome back. Good to see you. Oh, the other thing that I wanted to show you guys is the code that we wrote last stream. I verified that it works. Git clone, github.com. Pre-commit CI, that's off screen, so you can't see it. I didn't mean to do Control L. I will press enter a bunch of times. So we're back on screen. What do you mean? Oh, I typoed. I was like, I'm pretty sure that's what the repo is called. Richlab VM pip install -r requirements.txt. So we were working on writing some code to make the queuing code work with SQS instead of my fake queue. And python-im pre-commit ci dot queuing, which has a solid, what, 5 vowels in a row? Queuing dot AWS SQS, and if we open up the queue over here, Python, nope, pre-commit CI / pre-commit, what the fuck? There we go. Definitely not drinking. That's definitely not the problem right now. Queuing.aws SQS, and so now we can call in queue over here, run.fifo with g1 and data1. So let's just enqueue a couple of things. We'll get g1, we'll get g1 with data2. So 2 things in one group. The way the FIFO queue works is it'll only ever give you 1 item out of a particular group at a time until it expires. And so over here we can do long pull on run.fifo. Hey, what's up, Kishu06? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yes, hello again, Python Codebot. Something boomer something. Hey there, yeah. She says a meeting, be back later. Thanks again. I'll see you when you're back. Kyle Wiggs says cheers. Thank you again, Kyle Wiggs, for subscribing. Appreciate it. Waluigi is everyone's waifu. You still haven't found the other command, Juicebox Hero? You'll get it eventually. Michaela found one of the commands. You haven't found the other one. Michaela says, can you alias get clown to get clone? You can indeed. Juice says, RKJ, we know it's GF and girlfriend, we're missing one. It's true. Plushie mommy. You guys haven't talked about Plushie Daddy in a while. It's been a while. Mississippi Dog says, looking to interview at a FANG level company pretty soon. I was wanting to do Python, but most of the top tech job descriptions are asking for Java. I was wondering why. Is it better for me to learn Java, or can I stick with Python? So one of the reasons that a lot of the companies ask for Java experience in interviewing in particular is because that's what a lot of schools teach. And so, they expect that you'll know some Java from school or whatever. But Python is fine to do interviews in. I actually think Python is probably the best programming language to do interviews in, because so much of it is built into the standard library and makes things like really easy to work with. Yeah, like Python should be fine for that. the other thing about programming is once you know one programming language, it's pretty easy to take that programming language and apply it to some other language. So like it's easy, like once you know your first programming language, you can pick up others relatively easily, because it's really about like translating syntax from something you already know into something that you're, you know, less familiar with. Hey, what's up, Saranel? Hello, welcome to the stream. We've got more staff on the stream. There's more staff on the stream right now. But how's it going? Welcome. Good to see you. Hey, what's up, Woosu? Hello, welcome back to the stream. Neely says, bang, girl, what Anthony is stepping out with, maybe. Hey, what's up, Mississippi Dog? Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Future wife. Sarcastic Dante says, Java, not like this. Oh wait, that's the what face. I had the wrong one. But either way, same idea. Sola says, I know zero Java, but yeah, you don't really need to know Java. You can always learn a new programming language. Michaela says, I downloaded this Mozilla H.264 package thingy and I still can't watch Twitch on my laptop. Huh. That's weird. Maybe try it in Chrome. I hate to say like try it in Chrome because like it's like the bane of web development is use Chrome. But maybe Chrome will have the codecs installed. I don't know. You could also probably Google like Twitch is not working on Ubuntu, and they'll probably have a suggestion on what to use there. Sarcastic Dante says, once you know a programming language, it's very easy to talk shit on Java. It's true. Tom DF Coding says, I wouldn't touch Java with a 10-foot pole. Solo says, I'm almost done converting my Capstone client to TypeScript. It's so good. Yeah, TypeScript is good. I like TypeScript. Relative to writing JavaScript. I like types. Types are great. Before TypeScript was a thing, and before Flow was a thing, which is another typed JavaScript implementation, I spent a lot of time working with the Clojure compiler, which is kind of shit, but it was like the first introduction to like having some amount of gradual typing in JavaScript, and I really liked the Clojure compiler. It wasn't perfect, and it was really fucking slow, but it got the job done. But yeah, TypeScript is a lot better about doing that. I mean, the TypeScript compiler is still kind of slow and like could be better, but at least it didn't take like 10 minutes to build JavaScript. We actually did like a whole bunch of sets of hacks at Yelp to speed up the Clojure compiler. Like we did this crazy thing where we pre-compiled a good chunk of code and then like ignored types on one pass and like had multi-pass stuff and used what is that thing called? Because Clojure compiler is written in Java, so it's a big Java app. There's a Java thing where it's called Nailgun, where you start up a Java process and you just leave it in the background and then just like re-exec inside of that process so you don't incur the JVM startup over and over. And that actually saved a ton of time. But yeah. Anyway, Clojure compiler, old school TypeScript. Cybergenic says, I hate Java. I feel like a lot of people don't like Java. I actually think Java is like kind of okay. I wish it were like C#, but I think Java is alright. Also, welcome back, Cybergenic. Good to see you again. And 69 Operator, how's it going? Troll Kong says, never seen an empty dir before. Oh yeah. So the cool thing about dir is if you're just at the module scope or a function scope, dir will tell you all of the locals that are available. So you can see here that like these are all of the functions that are available. I was looking for what the name of this function was to grab the long pull function. But yeah. Darthvark TV says, I just downloaded Vim on my PC to learn. That's a good one to try. Is it the same as locals? It's kind of like locals.keys. Locals.keys. So they produce basically the same value. But yeah. Someone said, Brave browser. Master Jack says Firefox. I use Firefox except when I stream. So I use Chrome for stream, but I use Firefox for my normal stuff. But yeah, Darthvark TV says maybe I should learn Babby. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I use Babby. It's alright. Hey, what's up, hello friend? I like your name. Will I survive only knowing Python? Yeah, but I think you'll eventually want to learn other programming languages to augment your programming. But yeah. Python Combat says, thoughts on this? Go Thinkster / real world. Real world example apps. Oh, this sounds really cool. This sounds really cool. Does it basically like give a bunch of apps and then like how you would implement them in different frameworks? That sounds dope. This sounds like something that I've been looking for a long time for similar stuff. This is also a really cool graphic. I like that. But yeah, I didn't know that's a thing. But yeah, that sounds great. Mikhail says it's actually Fedora because I forgot Ubuntu is my VM and Fedora's on my laptop. Oh, Fedora. Fun. Hey, what's up, X Davila? Hello, hello. Welcome back to the stream. Who says, it appears I was gifted a sub at some point. Whoops. It's probably Vape Juice Jordan, let's be real. Or Mindful Fox. Mindful Fox gifted a bunch of subs too. Sola says, right now my biggest issue is that I have response types, but then I was doing an array method on them when they were just coming back as arrays. Oh, I see. So you got to switch up a few types. Hey, what's up, GM Knight? Hello, hello. Welcome back to the stream. Sola says, I'm also working on a C# project with a friend in Unity, so I'm getting looks at that. So the thing about Unity C# is it's a little bit different than like classical C#, because they target an older version of the .NET library. That might have changed since I've worked on Unity, but it's probably changed by now, because back when I wrote Unity, it was like 2 or 3 major versions behind. And hopefully they've fixed that up now. But I really like C#. I wish I could write more C#. DomDF Coding says there's a Vim joke. I am developer is a pretty good count. I'm a fan of this. I've been using Vim for about 2 years now, mostly because I can't figure out how to exit it. It's true. This is a classic. Mr. Jack says, I like Firefox better. It uses less memory than Chromium. Yes, indeed. Cybergenic says, did you see the post I made on your Discord about the Twitch extension thing? I did not see that, because I've been streaming. Let's see, what did you say? Oh, wait. I don't see it. Maybe you sent it a long time ago and I just missed it? Send it again. I'll read it. Sorry. I just read it at the end. That was pretty funny. 69 Operator says this is a better Vim joke. God damn it. Well, it's muted, so didn't get me this time. You almost got me, 69 Operator. Almost. But it was muted, so. Fucking A, bud. Every damn time. Python Combat says, I hit 7,000 points, almost there for the 12-hour stream, yeah. Mississippi Dog says, what resource did you use to master Python? So the thing about my learning of Python is I didn't actually do much book learning. Like almost all of my learning is from project-based learning, where like I had an idea on something I wanted to build, and then I hacked on it into completion and just kind of worked on Googling various tech that I didn't know or wanted to learn, and like learned along the way. Some other people do better from like tutorial style content or books, but I'm not so much of a book learner. But yeah, I would just suggest like building projects and hacking on stuff there. Sola says, got him. Imagine being the guy who rickrolled Rick Astley. Has Rick Astley been rickrolled? I'm sure that's happened. That's gotta have happened, right? Rick Astley getting rickrolled. Rick Astley can't stop getting rickrolled. That's great. That's fucking awesome. Cybergenic says just posted. Okay, look at this. Blurp. Oh. What is blurp? What does this do? Who wants a heckin' Blurp? Blurp is an audio expression platform if you can enhance and oh, is it like add a soundboard to stuff? What is that's pretty funny. Okay, we might check this out. We might try and set this up. Sounds funny. Jack says that was really close. Oh, about what? Oh, should I put on a button or two? Is that what almost happened? Okay, chat. Okay, chat. Okay. look what you've done. Look what we've almost done. Hello Friend says Udacity. Is that a course? That's a course website, right? I've heard good things about that. Summerstaff says, what's wrong with KDE? Sure, it can be a tad bit slow, but the tweakability is worth it. I have not tried using KDE. D. Jano says, cat dev random into dev FB0. What is FB0? I don't have FB0, so wouldn't do anything. Python Combat says he got super rickrolled recently. The rickroller got like 5 years worth of Reddit gold. That's awesome. That's awesome. And yes, my bot still has a sub to Pokemon for whatever reason. Hey, what's up, Tubeworm? Welcome back. Good to see you again. Okay, but anyway, I unqueued these 3 things, and we should be able to long pull and get them. Run.FIFO timeout equals 2. So this should give us back G1, D1, so it's the FIFO queue. And you can see, well, it doesn't tell us the group because it discards that, but you can see we got D1 back here. This is a read receipt, so that while you have the work checked out, you know, if your machine died, it would keep it into the queue, so it's supposed to be like a durable queue implementation. And if we long pull again, it'll actually skip the second data because it has the same group ID as this one here. This allows you to do some amount of like some amount of, what is it called? What is the word I'm looking for? I don't know what the word I'm looking for is. But it allows you to do like channeling of queues, so you can do rate limiting and stuff. But if I do this again, we will get nothing. What? Why did we get nothing? What? Why didn't it DQ this node here? Hey, what's up, Zohani? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Let's look at our SQS queue and figure out what happened here. Maybe we got a hash collision somehow, or maybe the things expired? Dead letter queue. Maybe there's something in the... One message available. What the fuck is going on here? This worked when I did it yesterday. Mark completed. Run.FIFO. Oh no. Mark completed. Run.FIFO. Okay, so now it's giving this data. What happened here? Oh, I see what happened here. There's data deduplication, so it ignored this even though it had a separate group ID. I get it. I get it. So let me mark completed all of these, and then we'll, oops. Oh no. Oh no. I pasted it in the wrong spot. Yeah, there's data deduplication, so it did a thing that I didn't expect here. But FIFO, and then paste, and then that. So if we long pull now, we should get nothing. Okay, cool. That looks good. So let's re-queue these. Data 1, and then data 2, and then G2 of data 3. So now if I long pull, I should get this one first, then this one. So long pull, we check out this value, we get data 1, cool. And if we do this again, we should get data 3, cool. And if we do this again, it should block, which is good. If I mark this one as completed, mark completed, run.FIFO, and then that read receipt. Now if I long pull again, I should get data 2. Cool, and this should block. And if I mark this as completed, mark completed, run.FIFO, this thing, it should still block because there's nothing else left in the queue, and we need to mark data 3 as completed. But that's essentially how this works. Run.FIFO, that guy, which is cool. FB0 is the frame buffer used by X. I see. AWS US East 1 says anagram. What? What? Hey, what's up, Brainwash? Welcome back. Good to see you. How's it going? Brainwash says partnership confusion noises. I am now a Twitch partner, which means I get a little verified checkmark and a bunch of other cool perks and stuff. But it basically is what I've been working towards for the last 2 years to get partnership on Twitch. But yeah, I'm super excited about it. RHR says, what does the partnership give to the streamer? It gives a bunch of like small things. So like I can change my emote prefix. I can have custom bit badges. I can have, I can give a sub to my bot so I don't have to keep paying for that. It expands the founder badge to more people. It allows me to retain my videos on Twitch for longer. I can actually set up videos that will run while I'm offline. Bunch of other stuff. Trying to think of the other things. But anyway, the ones that I'm the most excited about are being able to change my emote prefix, because right now it's Anthon63, which like is kind of a little obtuse. But I'd like to change that and get some better stuff. But yeah. Summerstone says to the longs. RSQSQ kind of sounds like RSQSQ. It's true. I said both of those exactly the same. It's the drop song, guys. Anyway. Card says, if you hold your breath, the bugs won't notice them will go away. Brainwash says, does Control U work in the REPL? What is it supposed to do? Undo? I think it cuts to the beginning of the line. But it looks like yes. Hey, what's up, Spoon Slush? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. The thing that I did is I did Alt U, because that's undo in Babby. I forgot I was in the REPL. And apparently Alt U, is it toggle case? No, it just capitalizes the whole thing. So if you want to do like, oh, I'm in caps lock now. If you go to the beginning of the line and Alt U, that'll caps lock everything. That's pretty cool. I don't know when I would ever use that, like probably literally never. But it's probably an Emacs thing. D. Ejano says, bang keyboard. Yes, this is my Kinesis Freestyle Pro. This was a sponsored gift from Kinesis. It's a split keyboard for ergonomic. Oh, dang it. I banged my mic. Sorry if that made a loud noise. But it's for ergonomic purposes, the idea being that your hands are naturally shoulder width, and so they lay down nicely on the keyboard. My Micah says, congrats on the partnership, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Brainwash says, congratulations, Antoine. I didn't understand it was about Twitch from the title. You deserved it. Nice. Solus says, my dream is to write Anthony a track that he'll like better than the drop song. I'm pretty sure you could find me. You could write me a better song than the drop song. I think that's possible. That's easy. Neely says, change Anthon63 to Anthony Writes COD as a prefix. Yeah, that's an option. I kind of want to see if AWC is available. I think that would be my like ideal prefix. It'd be nice and short. But you guys can suggest prefixes in the Discord, and I'll, try figure out ones that we like and pick one. Hey, what's up, Theory Santos? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. But yeah, this is working. The next thing that I wanted to work on is trying to get secrets set up so that we could actually run the GitHub API portion of this. And I had started working on that both in Terraform and in the CI code. Oh, I actually did a lot in Terraform. Let's see, we streamed on Wednesday last, so everything after Wednesday. This is the last thing that we did on Wednesday. I actually have to pee, so I'm gonna be right back. I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, we're back. I actually decided to take a photo of my more purple hair. That is one where I'm actually wearing my shirt. So let me post that on Discord, and then you guys can see that. So you can kind of see the difference between the first dye and the second dye. But it's way more purple than it was before. But I just took like a crappy selfie and put it up on Discord. I look so fucking goofy in this photo. But this is how much more purple than it was from last time. So if we look at the difference between this one, this was the first set of dye, and this is the second set. It doesn't look all that much different, but it's very different. But anyway, that's that. But welcome back. You guys are so funny. But anyway, back to the programming. Where's the button? There we go. What happened while I was gone? Talking about KDE. Greenwash says, do you ever work on front-end stuff, and do you enjoy that? Yes, I was actually hired as a front-end developer when I worked at Yelp. That was originally my job. I wouldn't say that I'm necessarily good at front-end, but you know, I have some front-end experience. I'm pretty good at like CSS and stuff. So if somebody tells me how to make something, like if I have a designer that tells me how to make something, I can get it down to the pixel. Like I can do all that. I'm just not necessarily great at the design portion. So like, let me show you like some of my crappy design, for example. But like I've been building the front end for Precommit CI, and so like this is front end work that I did myself. But like, I don't know, I spent a lot of time like getting this to look nice. Now I think this part looks fine, like the header looks fine. This is gonna go. This will be gone at some point. And this is the like the actual run output. This is I think how it's going to look eventually. But I don't know. I put a bunch of effort in to make this look good. I had to like twiddle a bunch of pixels so that this scroll bar originally was on the curve here, so that was messed up. But now the scroll bar is inside, so I don't know. I'm pretty good at the front end part. I'm fucking shit at the design though. Michaela says Anthony loves his front end work. Michaela, god damn it. God damn it. But Theory Santa says, this week I started a project to learn about Terraform. Do you like it? So far, I'm pretty okay with Terraform. I like what I've seen so far. I'm using it to manage my infrastructure for Precommit CI. So I've slowly been building up more and more infra. I'm still not quite sure like how to organize these files and such, but I don't know. I think it's okay so far. So it's going well. Casey Free Entertainment says, you are very cute. Well, thank you, Casey Free Entertainment. Cotton candy here. It's true. That sudden stop in the middle of a meeting. I was like, oh, this seems like a normal... Oh, I see what Michaela has said here. But anyway, one thing that I had to do right before the stream started, which was really annoying, I'm managing stuff using Secrets Manager in AWS. I have not put the secrets in yet. I didn't quite want to risk that on stream, but I will need to put these secrets in to do API requests and stuff. But interestingly, I had to rename them because Amazon crashed when I originally tried to recreate them. So I was, when I work on stream, I'm usually working on my desktop. But yesterday I was not at my computer, so I was working on my laptop. And I know you can like transfer the Terraform state, and like I'm supposed to store it centrally managed so that it's not, it's not a problem when I switch machines. But I don't have any of that set up yet, and I know that there are sensitive things in the state file, so I have not been moving that file around yet. So I just destroyed all my infra and then recreated it on the other laptop, which worked great, except you apparently can't recreate secrets that have been previously destroyed. So I had to destroy that and recreate it there. But yeah. AWS US East 1 says, store state in Terraform Cloud, they offer a free version. Do they? I didn't know they offered a free version. It manages shared state. We offer free accounts for small teams and pay plans with additional features for medium-sized businesses. Oh. I want to see what their limitations are. For individuals, open source, so it's not going to be open source, unfortunately. For teams. Where's the pricing page? I just want to see the pricing page. Oh, here we go. Free tier, up to 5 users. Does this prevent for-profit things? Which would be my question. It's not self-hosted, that's fine. Remote runs and applies. Ooh. I think I'm gonna set that up, AWS US East 1. I'll probably do that off stream, but if this is a thing, like, fuck it, sounds great. I like that their tables are set up properly. A lot of times when you like highlight stuff in tables, like highlighting down here would highlight across. Oh, they actually did this correct. It's so nice. I love when people do this correctly. Thank you to their front-end engineers that actually did their tables properly. It's so good. AWS UC Swan says, don't use S3 for state management. It's a pain in the ass. Yeah, I imagine so, especially because I kind of need Terraform to bootstrap S3. So I wanna avoid as much bootstrap as possible. But yeah, I think I'll probably do this. How does this remote run and apply stuff work then? Because I assume they need to have credentials, and I don't really want to give them credentials unless I have to. It sounds like I can do local runs, given what it said above. But plans would be easy. Micah says just use Dropbox forehead. Yeah, I don't think that's necessarily a good idea. But yeah, for now I'm just managing the state that way. It works well enough. But because I deleted and recreated the secret, you can't recreate a secret with the same name within like a 7-day period or something. So unfortunately, the secret is now called Secrets 2 instead of the original name, which is a little bit annoying. And I'm not sure that this is quite how I want to split these up. I think I'm actually going to have 3 sets of secrets. Also, I learned a really crappy thing about the AWS API for this. AWS Secrets Manager help. What is it? It's not create secret, it's the other API. It's like set secret? Put secret value. So I spent a bunch of time reading this. Put secret value. Help. And they have this secret string, and this is how you're supposed to set the value. And they're like, oh, for storing multiple values, we recommend you use JSON string and specify key value pairs. Blah, 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 blah. And then they give this example down here. This example is completely fucking wrong. This does not work. In fact, I can show you it not working. AWS Secrets Manager, put secret value. We'll just set it in web secrets. Web secret. Oh, what is the damn thing? Secret ID. Secret ID. This. Oh wait, no. Web secrets 2, and secret string will be this bad boy. And so you would think this would make 2 key values, so one is username and one is password. But if we set this, it says cool, it worked, nice. If we go to the secrets manager and go to secrets, you'll see we have web secrets 2. And if we retrieve the secret value, you'll see that it didn't set the key value pairs properly. So what the fuck, AWS CLI? And I did a bunch of experimentation, and I was like, oh, well, maybe I'll try it with this. So it's a map of, or a list of maps. We'll try that instead. And then we look at this, and then we refresh again. And if we look at this value, we get the plain text fine, but the secret value doesn't work. And I eventually figured out that if you just send a map, then it does the right thing. But it took me a while to figure this one out. So if we refresh this again, we can see secret value. You can see that it is now stored the key value pairs. So pretty annoying, but what else isn't annoying with AWS CLI? Put secret value. Oh, I see. Hey, what's up, James Renka says you can force destroy secrets with the CLI. Really? That would be nice. Delete secret? Is that what it is? Let's try that. Delete secret help. Hey, what's up, Max Hedrum, who says destroy secrets? Is that what it's supposed to be? But thank you for the bits. Appreciate it. Welcome to the stream. Deletion date. recovery window in days. Oh, so it might be too late to delete the one that I already deleted. Oh, force delete without recovering. Delete secret, secret ID, GitHub API secrets. Force delete without recovery. Oh. Okay. Okay, that's good. So I should be able to TF apply this guy. And that should recreate these ones without error, hopefully. Hopefully. Dev Donut says, what's that in the middle of the keyboard? So there's two things. This is a little fidget spinnery thing, which is kind of fun. And this other thing is a keyboard. It is a keypad keyboard that I assembled together. And you can actually figure this, you can search, if you do Bang FAQ, there's a video about it, so you can see that as well. Thank you for the question, Dev Donut. Max Hedron says, Twitch says I have a founder's badge for Anthony's code. Had nothing to say, so bits to see it in its glory, which didn't happen. Oh, Max Hedron, if you subscribe, you'll have a founder's badge. The founder's badge is basically you were one of the first people to subscribe to my channel. And now that I've become partnered, there are more people that will get that special badge. So you're one of the first people that's ever subscribed to my channel. So thank you for that. Appreciate that, and welcome back. Good to see you again. It's been a very long time, which makes sense. I guess that's why all of the founders showed up for this special occasion. But yeah, I got partner. Hey, what's up, Paratroid? Hello, hello. Okay, so what is it gonna do here? We're gonna destroy that and this, but it doesn't do forcible destroy, so we'll have to go back and run this same command here. Okay, cool. Thank you for that, Jamrega. That's very helpful. I did not know that was a thing. But we're gonna kill Web Secrets 2 and GitHub API Secrets 2. GitHub API Secrets 2. It's also good that I can delete this after it doesn't show up in the console anymore. So cool. But that puts us at this state. So we need credentials for one particular thing. We also need to implement the credentials API there.
Well, need to see this through then, smiley face. Congrats,
Thank you for
Anthony.
resubscribing, Max Headroom, to see your fancy founder badge. But thank you for the subscription, and yeah, thanks for congratulating me, and welcome back to the stream. And look at this fancy founder badge. Look at this fancy little founder badge here. Because Max Headroom is one of the first people that subscribed to my channel way back when. That was almost 2 years ago now. It's been a while. But good to see you again. Madman says, congrats on getting partner. Yes, it finally happened. Michaela says, is Control Plus the only way to change the font size? Changing preference in Firefox or font size gnome tweaks doesn't change any text I see on Twitch. You can also control and scroll wheel does the same thing, but I don't know. There might be something in the preferences thing, which you guys can't see the button because it's off screen. Is it in appearance? No. It might be in accessibility, wherever the accessibility settings are. I don't see it. Ah! Oh, you can search. Font. Universal access. I see, that's what it's called. So you can turn on large text. I guess that is a thing. That is one way to do it. Oh, but now it has fucked up all my windows, probably. But that would be my guess. Are these the right width? No. We need to fix the Anthony window manager. 1, 2. Okay, cool. Now they're back to there. Madman says, who are your assistants today? The stuffed animals. Let's see, who do we have? Who do we have with us today? We have got the long boy, whose name is Noodle. We've got Lola, who we sometimes call Rora. It was this little black kitty down here. We've got Rexy, who is everyone's favorite punching bag. And by favorite, I mean least favorite. Rexy is kind of the reject plushie. And we've got Carpet, who is the shiny Umbreon plushie there as well. But yeah, that's our plushie friends for today. We've also got Leonard, who's off camera, and Katie, who's off camera, but they're not here today. This button. Mikhail says, yeah, you broke it. Gemmer says, what is the GitHub repo? I want to check it out and maybe contribute. Which thing? Which thing? You do bang GitHub in chat, and it'll show you my GitHub repository. But some of the stuff that I'm working on right now is actually private, because I'm trying to make a little bit of a startup out of this thing. I don't know that it's going to be successful, but I'll open source stuff as soon as I'm like confident that it, you know, is good or whatever. But yeah, a lot of the stuff that I work on is open source, and eventually some of the parts that I'm working on today will show up as open source as well. But the particular thing that I'm working through is this tool called Precommit, which I created. It is a Git hooks and linter and code formatter framework, and yeah, I'm working on a CI system that's based on this, and we're slowly moving the local setup that I have right now that works, like it works end to end, but we're going to be moving that into AWS and working with a bunch of AWS tech. So that's what we've been streaming for a while, and we'll be continuing to stream on that today. Polar Junction says founders are the first 25 subs for a partnered stream. Nice. Hey, what's up, Arexu? Hello. Welcome to the stream. And Arexu says, may I ask what keyboard you're using? Thank you, Madman, for doing the bang keyboard command. And the bang hair command. Yes, my hair is very purple, very purple. I know the keyboard, you creep. Hey, what's up, MW Pi Java Coder 1? Hello. Welcome to the stream. Brainwatch says, not open source. I will just rewatch the stream and then reverse engineer your software, cross-reference the clues, and access the global database from the satellites. Oh, that's good. Gemmaher says, you get a sub, my guy. Oh, are you gonna sub to my channel, Gemmaher? Appreciate it. Hasn't happened yet, though. You mess with the keyboard, you get the hair color. Yeah. But I'm doing well, MW Pi Java Coder. How are you doing? I've mostly been getting stuff. Okay, so what I wanted to work on today is I wanted to get the website running in... Oh wait, no, before I wanted to get secrets working. Let's get secrets working. So I actually moved some of the code around for secrets yesterday. So you'll notice when I start the web app now, pregnantci.web.app, you'll notice that I didn't actually need to source my M file. Oh, actually, shit. I forgot to update my M file. Give me a sec while I fix my credentials. Oh! Gemmaher369, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. See, you're true to your word. I should have believed you, but thank you for the subscription. Appreciate it, and welcome to the stream. And hey, what's up, Session Variable? Welcome back. Master Tech says, is there a step after partner? There is not a step after partner. This is the end game. Sorry, I'm just fixing my creds. You guys can't see them. That's good. But let me get back to here. Okay, we're good now. So I edited the creds here. There was a bug in the credential management. But actually, let me make sure everything works end to end. I wasn't in a place where my network was set up properly to validate the full end-to-end runs. So let me make sure I didn't break that. So we have a couple of workers on this. We have the web worker. We have... Oh, I need to run the proxy too. Proxy. So we gotta start Nginx. We gotta start the website. This is where it receives webhooks and also responds to user requests. And I have to run the PR worker. This does mergeability checks, and then we run the run worker, and this is where the thinking bits actually happen. So now, in theory, I should be able to go to, excuse me, to this repo, and I should be able to close and reopen this pull request, and it'll trigger a series of things. It'll start here. Well, actually, it'll start here. This will be the first thing that it does. Close. Should get a couple of requests here. that should send some requests here. These actually get ignored. They don't end up triggering anything else. But when I reopen it, this should trigger a CI run. So you'll see we got a thing here. We got a webhook here. I didn't fix my creds. Shit. Okay, let me do this again. God damn it. How do I do this without showing you guys? Okay, yeah. Here we go to selfie mode. I renamed the credentials so that they were more namespaced. GitHub app. And reorder this to there, and this to here, and this to there. And we don't need to show you guys that. Okay, we're back now. Sorry about that. Web.app, we need to start the PR worker again. And we need to start the run worker. Okay, so this, knock on wood, this'll work. Interesting, it didn't re-update that. That's fine. Do close and reopen. So we got our webhook. We should run the PR worker, which check that it's mergeable, and then it'll run the run worker, which should clone the repo. That's weird. Why is the clone taking so long? And then it'll run it. And that should update the status on GitHub. Cool. Okay, so it's working end-to-end now. I had a little bit of messed up stuff there, but now it's working there. But yeah, this is kind of the end-to-end run. I rewrote the way the credentials work. So we have creds, local creds. So this is the implementation of the local credentials. It opens up this creds/env file. And that's where I was storing the creds before, and I had to do a bunch of like sourcing and stuff. But now it's just read directly in this file. Hey, what's up, BenHDev? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And then for the stuff in the env file, I have a couple of getters here. So these just retrieve the value. I did a little bit of. It looks a lot like a decorator, but it's actually just like a function that returns a function, which works well. Hey, what's up, Key and Air? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. One of the secrets I need is bytes, so I retrieve that one separately. And the last thing is there's a private key that I also need to have, so that's here as well. But yeah, so this is my implementation of the local credentials. I need to implement another credential provider for AWS Secret Store, which I don't know how to use in Boto 3, so we'll have to do some stuff there. MW Pi Java Coder says, great, I'm currently doing the Station X course. Nice. DomDF Coding says the step after partner is buying Twitch. Yeah. Emmy says we can definitely see it. Oh, don't you troll me like that, Emmy. I know you can't see it. I know what's going on. Because I can see myself over here. So when I look to the right, I can see my face. MW Pi Java Coder says, which Linux distribution are you using? So this is 2004, but I'm actually on Windows. If you do bang FAQ in chat, you can find a video where I talk about my operating system setup and why I'm running Windows. But yeah, Sarcastic Dante is not wrong. I am actually running Windows. Jemaher says, how long are you streaming for today? I usually stream about 3 or 4 hours. Today will probably be a little bit of a shorter day because I did not get enough sleep last night. And I've been talking a lot today already because I recorded a podcast with Brian Aachen, who runs Test and Code. He's also on Python Bytes. But today was a Test and Code episode where we talked a lot about PyTest, which is one of the things that I am a maintainer for. But yeah, I talked to him for an hour and a half, and like by the end I was like, oh well, I'm gonna have not much voice for streaming today, but fuck it, we'll get through it. Hey, what's up, Mindful Fox? How's it going? Who says congrats on becoming partnered? Mindful Fox, my dude. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. Well, I'm just gonna be honest here. Like, you've been here since the beginning. You and Sarcastic Dante, real OGs in the chat. But yeah, there's no way I would have been able to partner without all of you guys being really awesome viewers, and yeah, I'm very proud of what I've accomplished. But yeah, there's no way I would have gotten it with all of you in chat.
At Anthony writes code made me do it.
Hey, what's up, VinyR? Thank you for resubscribing 2 months in a row. Welcome, welcome. Good to have you. Ben H. Dev says, congrats on becoming a partner. I did it, Mom. I did it. Bismarck says, how the fuck did you get so good in Python? Lots and lots of practice. Building lots of things is how I would say that I got good in Python. I don't know that I'm still like great at Python, but I do know, like, you know, a decent amount of stuff. KNGL says, why not use direnv? So, funny thing about direnv, I actually wrote a competing tool for it called Activator with 2 A's. And it's similar in idea to direnv. It works by using prompt commands, just like direnv does. Prompt commands, you'll see that this is the activator part. And it basically works the same as direnv. It's a little bit more generic, and it has more security safety features in it. direnv has a race condition which will cause, can cause arbitrary code execution. It also doesn't validate that someone, I'm in a single tenant system, so it doesn't really matter for a single tenant system, but in a multi-tenant system, direnv doesn't do validation about group writable files. So there are some cases where direnv is vulnerable and activator is not, and I've reported this to them. They just were like, we don't think this is a bug, fuck it. But yeah, I'm actually using a separate tool here. But I wanted to make my application more independent of how it actually runs the code, so that's why I'm not using either activator or direnv to set the environment here. Session variable says, what is mapping from typing? I assume you're referring to this here. So the typing module, and I actually have a video about this that you guys can check out. GitHub. It's easier for me to link from GitHub though. Introduction to Python typing plus MyPy. So you can check out this video. I talk a little bit about like what typing is and like how you can get started with it and such. But that's what this video about. But mapping in this case, and I specifically chose to use mapping instead of dict here. And the reason for that is mapping is an immutable interface to a mapping type. So it basically just means, it's basically something that looks like this. Mapping protocol. It has def get item. I guess it's protocol TT, T1, T2. And so it has get item self key T1 returns a T2, and then I believe it also has def items, which is an iterable of tuple T1, T2. This might also be abstract set. I think this actually is abstract set. Maybe. And it also has keys. T1. And values. I think this is the full protocol of mapping. I could be wrong. This is actually not abstract set. This would be iterable of T2. But this is essentially what mapping implies. Note that it doesn't have set item here. Arrow none. So set item would mean that it's a mutable dictionary. So this means that it's basically to imply that this is a read-only thing. That way I don't accidentally modify this dictionary here, because this dictionary is actually global due to the way this cache works. So there's a bit going on here, but basically you can think of it as just like a special dictionary that you can't change. And get item is, that's X bracket thing. This is a double limiter method for X bracket thing. But anyway, that's what mapping is. Hopefully that's helpful. But yeah, I'm trying to make more and more videos about these kind of things on YouTube, so that there's more like, you know, educational content around this sort of thing. But that's what it is. Soul says, did not get enough sleep, a winky face. I mean, I stayed up late. There's no winky face there. It was just I stayed up late. Oops. Hold my chin. Gemmaher says, nice. Do you listen to Lex Fridman AI podcast? I do not. I actually don't get all that much time to listen to podcasts. I occasionally listen to some of the Python ones, but I don't know. I barely have enough time to, like, you know, stream, work on open source, you know, do this stuff, work on my own projects, other stuff like that. But like, yeah, I do like listening to podcasts. I just don't really have time, sadly. Michael Fox says, lol, it's true. Manman says, what do you mean to Bismarck? Oh, wait, what did Bismarck say? Oh, how did I get good in Python? Yeah. Right in the field, says JuiceBox0, and last meeting of the day, might be back in an hour. Okay. Michael Fox says, came for the Python, stayed for the quality content. Ayy. Oh, you did actually use an A emote. It's like you knew how I would read your message, Michael Fox. That's great. Binary says 24-hour stream. We might do a 12-hour stream, maybe. MW Pi Java Coder says, bruh, I need you to tutor me. Well, there's a lot of educational content from my channel on YouTube. So if you go to youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode and subscribe there, there's a bunch of educational content that I put up there as well, which is pretty good. Brian Stir says, why do you use this keyboard? What is the differences between a normal one? The idea behind a split keyboard is it's supposed to be more ergonomic. The idea being that you naturally have your arms at about shoulder width. And so when you lay them down on your keyboard, you're at a natural position. You're not like, you know, planing your hands inwards or outwards. You're, you know, naturally like this. And my keyboard is kind of hard to see on the camera, but my keyboard is actually propped up at a 15-degree angle, so my hands are basically like this on the keyboard. And this is supposed to be like a more natural ergonomic position. I don't really struggle with ergonomics, but I don't know. That's why it'd be. Hey, what's up, the Endless River? How's it going? Who says congrats on partner? Yes, I got it. We did it, the Endless River. After all this time. But yeah, appreciate you stopping by as always. It's always good to see you, the Endless River. For one, this is split into 3 pieces. You can see it here, but it's also elevated at a steep angle. Okay, this is actually a separate keyboard, but yeah. Abduina says, what is the role of Packer in your architecture, and how is it different than just using Builda/Podman? So in my setup, I'm using Packer to build AMIs, because I will have some EC2 instances as part of this. Unfortunately, I wanted to do it all with Lambda, which I know Lambda's kind of crap, but I need to actually run some EC2 instances because I need to run containers myself, and so I need full control over the container environment. But I'm using Packer to build the virtual machine images, so it's a little bit different than Docker images. 69 Operator says, just listen to podcasts while streaming. Yeah, that would be wild. Sarcastic Dante says, this is what you eat at 11 p.m. Is this spaghetti? Meat spaghetti? Mom spaghetti? Oh yeah, Solus. All right, I tutored Daniel, so you can check out his notes. These are I actually think these are really good. I think Daniel took very, very good notes here, so you can check out like what I did. We basically got to like introductory Python stuff, and talked a lot about. And this is one of my crappy MS Paint drawings, but I think these notes are pretty good and like start to talk about like stuff that you would want to learn for Python and stuff. Oh, we even talked about PyTest. I forgot that we talked about PyTest. Oh, we even did parameterize? Oh, nice. Oh, we even got to the debugger. Cool, but yeah, we did a bunch of Python stuff there. So this is, these notes are like a pretty good set of like intro content and in the right order. The problem with my YouTube videos is they're all over the place, so they're not in any sort of order. They're just like, what do I want to talk about? I guess I'll record a video about this today. But you know, make it happen. Major Gamer Geek says, game for the quality content, left for the Python. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good. Max Headroom says, I switched to that keyboard, the Kinesis Freestyle, about a year ago. It took a while, but I love it now and won't go back. Yeah, it's pretty good. Morinster says, what are those keyboards called? I'm buying one. If you do bang keyboard in chat, you can actually find the particular keyboard that I'm using and my Amazon affiliate link if you want to click through on that. But yeah, anyway. Denny111 says, have you ever dealt with Cassandra in Python? If yes, did you use any other driver than what Cassandra offers you? I have written Cassandra in Python, but it was so long ago that I don't remember how I interfaced with it. Because this was at Yelp when Yelp was just first experimenting with Cassandra. I don't remember what we used for it, so I don't know. Verilus says, why don't you like Lambda? You mean like AWS Lambda? So the main problems with Lambda is you lose a lot of control over things and your monitoring is really rough. Hey, what's up, Sangelo? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Mostly, like, it's hard to know what's going on, and you don't have a lot of control over when things run. There's also the latency issue, but like, I'm not actually worried about latency in the system I'm building. So parts of my system will be in Lambda, but I can't really do the whole thing. The other thing that kind of is unfortunate is you're very limited on the amount of code you can put onto a Lambda. It like limits you to like 50 megabyte chunks, and kind of want to have you know, a little bit more than that. Hey, what's up, Carpy750? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Paradroid says, what are the bad points of Lambda? Lots of people at work seem keen to adopt it. It would be good to bring another viewpoint. Yeah, so I guess like most of my like negative experience with Lambda was at Lyft, where Lyft like overly aggressively adopted Lambda, and then they're like, wait, we have no fucking idea what's actually running, or like whether it's working, or like, you know, what our throughput or latency is, or like how our logs are working, and like nothing really worked out super well there. And so like Lyft maybe in a like too reactionary way, like ported everything off of Lambda. But yeah, it was kind of a mess. Hey, what's up, Hulling? Hello. Welcome back. Sarcastic Dante says, spaghetti bolognese with too much tomato sauce. I actually really like having too much sauce on pasta. I'm like I just you know, all about that sauce, you know. Major Gamer Geek says, I don't know Python. I see. Mamden says, me neither. I'm trying to learn using Advent of Code to challenge myself and add to the tutorials. Yeah, Advent of Code is actually a really good tool for learning programming languages. And I actually think Python is super well suited for programming competitions like that. Jemmer says, dude, your contributions per year on GitHub are nuts. Almost perfect. Yeah, I do a lot of open source. Oh, that's my text editor. If it actually loads. There was a period of time where like my profile just didn't load. But yeah, I'm usually around 5,000 per year. Before, when I had private contributions on here as well, I was up at like 9,100 per year, but I got laid off from Lyft in April, so those don't show up anymore. But yeah, I do a lot of Python work, or a lot of open source work. Danny1111 says, with Python lambdas are super heavy. In my opinion, Node with Webpack is the way to go in Lambda. That's what we use at work, and it's kind of sexy. I see. The other problem with Python and Lambda is like getting the packages set up in the right way. Python's not really set up for what Lambda's deployment structure looks like, so sometimes it can be messy. But anyways, let's get this secrets thing working. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work, but we're gonna play with the secrets API. We can actually close these down because I don't need those to run right now. I don't know why I did that. But the way that I've been setting up my new interfaces so that I can, you know, deploy this in multiple environments is I have a bunch of protocols that show like how the particular functions in a module would work. This is very similar to doing like class-based inheritance, but I wanted to avoid inheritance as much as possible. So you can see like my queue implementation has these 4 functions: enqueue, enqueue with delay, which I'm actually going to get rid of, long poll, and mark completed. So those are our APIs here. and you can see like this is what their function signatures look like. And based on the different platform, I have different modules which implement those. I'll actually be able to get rid of this indirection when MyPy gets better. This is really just a bunch of extra work for type checking right now, but I'll fix that eventually. But you can see like I have a local implementation of the queue, which is this SQLite version. CI queuing, local queuing, where I basically have a little database. I know you're not supposed to pretend that a relational store is a valid queue, but this worked fine. So this is what I used to test this thing locally. But if we want to look at the SQS implementation, it basically just wraps the various SQS APIs. You can see this is the send message API, this is the receive message API, and the delete message API. But that was pretty straightforward to implement. And we're going to be doing the same thing for my credentials now. So we have creds. We have creds / local creds. So this is the local credentials. We're going to do AWS Secrets Manager. Is it called Secrets Manager? What the fuck is it called? This one. Secrets Manager. And we need to figure out exactly the API that we want here. RKJ says, why double under import time? Because it's a hack. I wanted it to look bad so that it was definitely something that I factor out later. Where was that? That was in queuing AWS SQS. Yeah, so this is a hack. this is a big boy hack. I originally had this written as import time.sleep delay, mostly because I wanted to make sure that I didn't commit this. But then I actually committed it, so I just switched it to this instead. But yeah, this is a big boy hack. I know that I need to delete this code, so I'm okay writing terrible hacky code. But I didn't want to go up here and be like, import time, and then come back down here and then do, whole time.sleep here, because then it might look less hacky. So that's the only reason. Danny111 says, if only Webpack for Python was a thing, that really worked. I see. Hey, what's up? Oh, MWPy Java Coder has subscribed to my YouTube. Thank you for that. Appreciate that. But yeah, let me look at the interface for credentials. I believe it's just a bunch of functions that return particular types. Yeah, so we have stir, byte, stir. Stir, byte, stir. So we need GitHub app client ID. Returns a stir. We have GitHub app client secret, which returns a stir. We have GitHub app ID, which returns a stir. We have GitHub webhook secret, which returns a byte. And we have GitHub API private key, which returns a stir. So, oh, we have the Flask one. Flask secret key, which returns a stir. So I happen to know that these two are used for the web API, the web app. And these ones up here are used for interfacing with GitHub API. So I've kind of thought of splitting these up into two chunks of credentials here. My Micah says stir. It's true. Sarcastic Johnny says make it look bad to make someone refactor it later. It's true. Write shitty code so that it's obvious that it's shitty code. Hey, what's up, Code Show? How's it going? Welcome back to the stream. Who says hello? Congrats for being partnered. More live coders on the partners team. It's true. You got partnered recently too, Code Show. Like not too long ago, right? Hey, what's up, Jordy V? How's it going? Who says, what are you making? Smile. I am working on a startup-y thing called precommit.ci, And Precommit CI is meant to be a purpose-built CI system built around a open source tool that I created called Precommit. And the idea behind Precommit is it's a linter and code formatter framework. And so the idea behind the CI is that you run those linters and code formatters in continuous integration fashion. And the basic idea behind Precommit is you have a config file which specifies some versions and some tools, and it knows how to integrate with Git hooks. It also knows how to install all those tools and run them against files in your repository. So this is kind of the magic of that. Thank you, Sarcastic Dante, for doing Bang today. And I should really, I've been working on this thing for a while, so I should probably record like an FAQ video for this, because it's really, the same spiel over and over. But that's what we're working on. I'm trying to do secrets management with Bodo today. But let's see, import Boto 3. Is it called Secrets Manager? It is. Cool. Client equals Boto3.secrets manager. No. Client secrets manager. That's what it is. And what do we need to do here? So we have two different types of secrets. Clients.what? I think it's going to be get secret value. So I'm just going to stick some values in here so that we can try that later. Oh, how did we do that before? Set. Oh, I had it right. Secret string. Secret string. Here we go. So we're going to set web secrets, which we're going to set Flask secret key to test secret. We're not going to actually set the real secrets here. Hey, what's up, Real Dr. Ruka? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Viralis says, are you using EC2 or ECS with EC2? I am using a couple of things. I'm going to be using Lambda for some of my work. I'm going to be using EC2 for some of my work. We're also using SQS, Dynamo, Secrets Manager, KMS, and whatever the fucking thing you need to make Lambdas exposable to the internet. So I got to do that one too. I think it's called API Gateway. And I think that's the set of services I'll be using. Not 100% sure, but I think that's what they are. GitHub webhook secret. Okay, so this should be able to set that secret. And so now I should be able to retrieve this value now. What is it called? Web secrets. Client.get secret value for this thing. Keyword only arguments. Okay, what are your keywords? Hey, what's up, Viralis? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Retrieve the content in the secret string or secret binary. What are the keyword options? Secret ID. That's what we need. Secret ID equals web secrets. So that gives us back secret string. And then it looks like we need to JSON decode that. Okay, cool. So we can do functools.lru cache def get, why did this stop? Continue. Get secret manager secret. I'm just gonna cache these indefinitely. I will need to do something special for secret rotation at some point, but yeah. Viralis says API gateway. Yeah, cool, awesome. Sarcastic Dante says PR worthy. Yeah, if you sort this in the list, I'll take this. And if you link the YouTube video here too. Link the FAQ video, and then that'll be super dope. And yeah, then I'll take that, Sarcastic Dante. Real Dr. Ruka says, not to take you off topic, how often will you be streaming? I stream on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at about noon Pacific time. And I announce my streams in 2 places. One of them is on Twitter, and my Twitter you can get from doing Bang Twitter. It is Code with Anthony, which is different than my Twitch channel. And I also announce on Discord, which you can also go to Bang Discord. Thank you, Sarcastic Dante. Hey, Real Dr. Ruko has subscribed with Twitch Prime. Thank you for the subscription. Appreciate it, and welcome to the stream. Coach says, I need to add support for Secret Manager on Dynaconf right now. We only have... Oh, right now we only have Vault and etcd. I have not worked with Secrets Manager much, so I'm not sure how well it works. I have used Vault before, and I have used whatever the crappy one that Lyft made. What is Lyft's Secret Manager? Lyft's Secret Manager. Hey, what's up, Quantum SX? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Confidant, that's what it's called. It's interesting because why does this website look so garbage? Copyright 2017. You can see when Lyft has stopped working on it. But yeah, Lyft is trying to move off of Confidant, last I heard. But yeah. Jemher says, funny now that I think about it, one of my coworkers in my previous job introduced us to your tool, Precommit, just to make sure we had good quality formatting. It works really well. Didn't use it too much since I graduated college and found a big boy job. Nice, nice. Real Dr. Ruka says, thank you, boss. Want to make sure programmers get the love they deserve. Thank you for promoting the brand. Awesome. Appreciate it again. Okay, but, oh, Sectet. I can spell. Get Secret Manager's secret. Name stir to a mapping of stir. Sorry, you guys can't see that. It just says stir. That's all that's missing there. So we need to do client.get secret value. Name secret ID equals name, and then return JSON. JSON dot loads resp secret, what was it, secret string. I'm surprised they don't decode this. Right, there's no pp function. Print dot pprint. Alright, import pprint dot pprint this guy. Oh, I didn't want to do just that. I wanted to do the whole mapping. Just to make sure that it isn't somewhere else in here at a glance. Okay, cool. So it is in this secret string. Cool. Offline Rocker says, how do I not suck ass at LeetCode? Yeah, well, I'm not very good at LeetCode either, so it's fine, it's fine. You don't have to be good at it. But yeah, I don't know. Practice makes perfect, as always. So that's one way to do it, I guess. Tesla says, easy, just don't. Get good, mate, says Real Dr. Ruka. Shazzo says, oh shit, we're doing secrets. It's true. One unfortunate thing about Secrets Manager is it costs a little bit of money. But I'm okay spending $1 a month to store a secret. I think that's worth it. Although, interestingly, I was thinking about it, and maybe this is like either a small brain play or it's a galaxy brain play. Secrets Manager uses the same encryption as encryption at rest for Dynamo. So I feel like I could just implement my own really crappy secret store using Dynamo, and it would be cheaper because Dynamo satisfies the free tier. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna try and do this right, and then try and cut corners on a few bucks here and there later. But I'm sure there's some medium-sized brain reason that you should use Secrets Manager over just free tier Dynamo, but I don't know. I was thinking about that yesterday. Micah says, parameter store secret string is also similar. Turner says, what are the additional responsibilities of a tech lead compared to a senior engineer? So mostly when I compare like a senior engineer and a tech lead, the differences there are doing road mapping and planning sorts of stuff and like driving the direction of an organization. So for instance, I was a tech lead at Lyft on the developer experience organization, and I spent a lot of time like bringing together, you know, all of the sister teams and like driving a consistent direction forward with you know, with roadmaps, planning, and that sort of deal. But I think a lot of it is around like road mapping and planning, and you do a lot of that as a senior engineer. Like you spend a lot of time like figuring out, you know, what stuff you're going to work on and how you're going to work on it. But to me, it's like the difference between planning at either like a project level, which is, I mean, depending on your definition of senior, like project level planning probably doesn't necessarily fall into senior. It can kind of be like a mid between like junior and senior engineers, to like team level planning, which is definitely like senior level planning, to like organization and company level planning, which is where you get to your tech lead and your principal kind of roles. That's kind of how I think about it. Hey, what's up, Eric Yeek? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Master Tech says, write your own secret manager, leak secrets instead. It's true, it's true. Psychiatrist Dante says, planning fire. Yes. Okay, but I think this will do most of the caching that we need it to do, so I don't need to actually do the other caching. Interestingly enough, I think the creds implementation for the local creds, I think they're actually going to look a lot the same, because this kind of looks a lot like this. I do need to implement a getter though, and unfortunately this one is bytes, so I got to do this one a little bit special. But other than that, I think this is fine. So we have GitHub app client ID equals, we'll just make some sort of getter for, this is GitHub API secrets and GitHub app client ID, and then we'll have GitHub app client secret. It'd be great if I could spell secrets right. GitHub app client secret. Ah, the line is too long. No. Maybe I can just get rid of the name secrets here and just rename that. That seems fine, right? Yeah, we can do that. GitHub app ID, getter, GitHub API, GitHub app ID, and then what is the other one from there? GitHub API private key. GitHub API. GitHub API private key. And we'll stick those all into there. Schroeder says, thanks for the answer. It was super detailed and clarifying. Yeah, no problem. Always happy to answer. AWS US East 1 says getter. Yeah, I have not implemented this function yet, but it's going to be similar to this one over here. Actually, we can just fucking do it. Def getter, which is a secret name stir and key stir to a callable which takes no parameters and returns a stir. And return get secrets manager secret name and then key. Oh, we need a callable for this. Def getter inner, which returns stir, return getter. Great if I could spell. But yeah, those are those there. And then we need the web app ones. So this will be def, or I guess we can do this one normally. Flask secret key equals getter web secrets. We're gonna get rid of the word secrets there. Flask secret key. And then we have, oh, this last one needs to be bytes. So GitHub webhook secret. GitHub webhook secret. Return. Oh, I actually cached this one. Interesting. Why? I guess I can cache the encode because it could be kind of slow. I don't know. Get secrets manager, secret web, and then GitHub webhook secret. So I think that's actually all of the implementation that I need here. I'm gonna put some like dummy values in here and try it out and see if this works properly, and then we'll play with this a little bit on EC2 and work on that there. Hey, what's up, Zernatic? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Shazarwet says, I just got back. Can you give like 5 words about what you're working on? I'm setting up Secrets Manager in AWS for pre-commit CI. Ooh, Twitch changed their hover for links. Interesting. A little bit of CSS there. Sarcastic Dante has got me a pull request here. Hey, what's up, Himsky? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. And the distro command, Windows 10 with Ubuntu 2004 LTS virtual machine. More info here. Looks great. Perfect. Review, approve. I give you a nice little Giphy here. Oh, you got the Pikachus. I like the Pikachus one. We'll merge that. Let me pull that and restart the bot. Oh, we're gonna need a rebase. Damn it. I forgot to push. Git fetch all prune. We'll check out this. Rebase SI origin master. Push that up. And then we will do git apply patch.2. I can probably get rid of my meme command. Yeah. Git checkout dash p. So we get rid of this thingy thing. This was my little my dumb code announcement that I got partnered. I did it using actually we'll do it one last time. We'll give it a proper send off. But I did all this like jazz about being like, look, I implemented this command so that I can grumble about Twitch not giving me partner yet, and then like did some sneaky indirection with this decorator so that it actually ran this instead and did that. But anyway, that was that. And check out dash p, so we can get rid of that. We do not want to get rid of that, nor that, nor that, and we can get rid of that. And then we can restart the bot, and we should be good to go. So now you should be able to do bang distro. Thank you for that patch, Sarcastic Dante. Appreciate that. Eric Geek says, hey Anthony, what do you think is the career track for software engineers / managers after becoming a tech lead? I don't know. You kind of like, tech lead you can kind of think of as like a team or org lead. And you know, depending on your company, there's sometimes like group leads or like focus area leads where like, for instance, at Lyft, there was a person whose job responsibility was deciding how the rider organization should progress forward. And like, that was kind of their thing there. But yeah, I think it's, it's getting more breadth and being responsible for more things. Hey, what's up, MSR? Hello. Welcome back to the stream. Good to see you. Crystal Gamer says, I also suffer from early caching. It's better to see how it performs cashless, but I feel you. Oh yeah, you mean in this like secrets manager here? The thing is, like, I pay per API request, so I'd rather not pay per extra API request where I can just reuse this cache here. And like, I don't think I'm gonna change secrets all that often, and I will have like, I'll probably have a run book to like go through a procedure for doing stuff. MSR says, I'm late today? Yeah, I've been streaming for almost 3 hours. So I guess Dante says I didn't check the link. Oh no. Did you put a fucking Rickroll into there, buddy? Did you put a Rickroll into there? Is that what you did? Oh, okay, it is actually my video. That would have been so funny, Sarcastic Dante. That'd have been so good. MSR says, finally Twitch partner, yes! I got approved! I now have a nice little verified check mark. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. I'm pretty proud of it. Ah yes, Windows 10, my favorite distribution. With GNU/Happy, yeah. That would have been good. You would have got me there. So it says, I was going to do that during the 24-hour stream, but I didn't find a good place to do it. Oh, to get me with a Rickroll? Yeah. Next up, Twitter blue checkmark. So there's people that have fewer followers than I have on Twitter, so it's entirely possible. You know, I'm getting close to 2,000 followers here, so it's a thing. It's a thing. I could get that blue checkmark here. I'm actually pretty close to getting a checkmark on YouTube. Because I qualify for partner on YouTube as well. But yeah. And then the Pornhub checkmark, right? Right? Yeah, that's the one that I'm actually shooting for, you know. Getting that OnlyFans verified account. Okay. But I think this will work. I need to populate these secrets with those values. So that we can validate this. Here we go. Okay, so we wanted to rename web secrets as well, so let's do that right now. Close out these things. We go to Terraform. No, commit CI Terraform secrets manager. So we're just gonna get rid of underscore secrets because I think that's redundant. No, yes, yes, no, yes, yes. TF apply. I gotta just fucking put this in my aliases. I know I usually don't do aliases, but I'm really bad at typing Terraform. And I think it's pretty common to do TF apply. Shorthand, alias, TF equals Terraform. So... add a shorthand alias for Terraform. I typo Terraform 3 fucking times. This is why we're doing this. But yeah. Micah says all does passing. It's true. Nixidiv says, alias code, please, I need help. How do I convince Melky to let me send him a proper keyboard? I mean, I was super open to getting proper keyboards sent to me. That's how I got nice keyboards. I mean, just figure out his address and you know, send it along. But like, I don't know. Here, Nixidiv, tell them that Anthony let people buy him keyboards. I think Melky will fall for that one. Like, well, Melky, if Anthony let people buy him keyboards, like clearly you should. Zish Terraform. Oh, I see. Zish does this. That's why. If you notice, aliases are bounded to each other. This isn't a word, but that's okay. Etra0 says, partner, that's fancy. : equals hello. I still use : equals as an emoji because I know you hate it. No, you're good. I got you. Welcome back. Good to see you, Etra. Yes, indeed. I got partnered today. So that is a thing. Okay, so we can close this tab and we can do TF apply now. So that should delete the old secrets and create the new ones. We do need to hard delete these secrets because Terraform only soft deletes them, which I find to be interesting. So it will destroy the old web secrets and create a new one called web, and this one will get destroyed and make a new one called GitHub API. So we'll say yes to that. Hey, what's up, Dirtbags15? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Git add -u, remove redundant secrets name in secret. And so force delete. So we'll force delete GitHub API secrets and web secrets. web secrets. Secret string. Okay, we do want to set these two. Okay, so we're going to set the web secrets to this, which has those two keys. And we will also set what are the other 4 keys that we need to set. We need to set GitHub API client secret, app ID, and this into GitHub API. And I will set these to their actual value off screen. But for now, we just want to try these out. So we've got the client ID, we've got the webhook secret, or so the app's client secret, and the music has stopped. Play music, play. And we've got app ID, which actually isn't a secret, but it made sense to sort as a secret. App ID, and then we've got API private key, and this is the chunky one. API private key. So I think we'll be able to do that. Cool. So now in theory, we should be able to do Python 3-im. Well, actually, let's run precommit first. Git run dash all files. Oh, that's not actually going to lint this because this isn't checked in. Let's do that again. Undefined name mapping and callable. From typing import callable, from typing, oh, it changed the source, so we actually have to do this. From typing import callable, from typing import mapping. Let's try that again. Incremental return type got stir expected bytes. Indeed, we need to encode here. That should fix that. Python 3-im precommit ci dot creds.aws secrets manager. And if we do GitHub app client ID, pren, we get test secret, and it should be really fast the second time. Oops. That's the other reason we're caching, is because this is, you saw how slow it took to retrieve that there. This should be better there. Now let's actually try all of them. App client secret, app ID, app private key, API private key. And if we do Flask secret key, this should also pause a little bit. It didn't pause all that much. That's fine. And then GitHub webhook secret. GitHub webhook secret. That one should be bytes. Cool. I think that works. I think that's enough to actually try the queuing part. So let's put this all together. Precommit CI iFace. We need to add a new creds interface here. From precommit ci.creds import AWS secrets manager. That in there. And then AWS will map to a creds. We can copy paste this bad boy. And then replace local creds with, oops, creds with AWS secrets manager. And see what MyPy has to say about that. It looks good. Cool. What is this log file here? I'm actually concerned about that. Oh, it's an strace. Okay, that's fine. No big deal. No big deal there. Git commit -im add secrets manager creds interface. Okay, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that the runner role has access to the right stuff here. So if we get pull here, we should be able to python-m precommit ci.creds-im .aws secrets manager, and this should fail because I have not properly set up the IAM roles here. So if we do GitHub app ID, it should be able to access that one, but it's currently failing because we don't have secrets manager get secret value. So we need to make sure that gets attached here. CI, so we want to go into Terraform, yes. Secrets manager, secrets. We need to add a policy document for this. Oops. Terraform. What's an example one where we added a policy document? Oh, we did it for SQS. Kind of hard to see, but... Oh yeah, no, it's fine to see. We will be doing this policy document, but we'll be adding particular things here. All right, so data AWS IAM policy document. GitHub API secrets policy document, which has a statement, and it has actions equals this particular action that we had here, and then that will be on the resources of AWS secrets manager secret.github.api.arn. So I'm basically making a policy document such that I can attach this to the runner role so that it can access secrets. So then we need to do an IAM policy, resource AWS IAM policy, GitHub API secrets policy document. This will have policy equals AWS data.aws IAM policy document dot this thingy here dot JSON. Hey, what's up, CamJams24? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And I need to do the same thing for the web ones as well. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of copy-paste driven development and replace GitHub API with web. And so that should make those two policy documents. I also need to attach that policy document to the role. Role runner. So we need one of these bad boys here. So we already attached the queue retrieval, the run queue get policy. We need to attach the run queue. We need to get the GitHub API secrets. GitHub API secrets policy. And we can do that by doing GitHub API secrets. And we're attaching that to the runner role. So if we TF validate now, reference to undefined resource. This should not say document on the end. Which means this one should also not say document on the end. Let's try that again. Undeclared resource. Oh no, this one should say document. It's this one down here that shouldn't say document. My Micah says nice Scottish because I said JSON. Is that what is that your Scottish? Or did I have some weird accent? I didn't mean to have a weird accent. TF apply. That should attach that properly. We don't want to attach web secrets to the runner role. It doesn't need to do anything to deal with Flask or other stuff. Let's look at what we did here. Get secret value. Yeah, that looks good. So we made these two policy documents and then we attached the policy document to the runner role. So we should say yes there. Mr. Tech triggered a joke. Whose child, Dad, why does the sun rise in the east and set in the west? And Dad says, son, it's working, don't touch it. That's pretty true. Okay, so now we should have access to running get secret value here. And it works! That was easy. Why didn't I have to do anything with KMS? I thought I had to do something with KMS. Maybe this role already has KMS access, so I didn't need to do that. But that's kind of cool, but it should fail on the flask secret. Sweet. Nice. That's good. That's what we want. We don't want this thing to have access to the flask secret. So this is working exactly as intended. Which is cool. That's all I really wanted to get done today. I mean, of course, I always want to get more stuff done, but that was the minimum of what I wanted to get done today. Allow runner role to access GitHub API credits. Because unfortunately, the rest of this involves me like putting actual secrets into there, and I don't necessarily want to do that on stream, because that will show you guys all of my sneaky creds. Shatherbat says, "Do I have it in me to work on code after work? I wonder." Yeah, that was honestly a thing that I struggled with, like getting work done with programming when I actually had real work. Is that you know, I would often be pretty unmotivated after I would get home because like, oh, I already spent 8 or 9 hours at work doing other programming. Like, do I want to go home and do some more work? And that was often a bit of a struggle for me. But yeah, good luck with that, Shaz. I don't have any advice there. Okay, cool. But we got that set up. We wrote the AWS interface stuff here. Did I push that? Just make sure we pushed this. Yeah, we pushed it because I pulled it on the EC2 instance. Shazwat says, yeah, it's hard. I just have to trust it's gonna pay off. Maybe. Yeah, it'll pay off. She says a break in meetings. But the question is, do I want to continue? A break in meetings. Welcome back. I'm gonna go say bye. No. I get to stare at a cute boy again finally. Who are you staring at, Juice? Are you talking about me? Are you talking about me, Juice? Sarcastic Dante says coding after work cry. Yes. Okay, let's look at the, what is it? The run worker. This is what we were trying to get working. Alright, we don't have colors. So we got the queue stuff working. We don't have the data store stuff working. We gotta set up Dynamo tables. And this is the part where I kind of knew how the queue stuff works. I kind of know how the credential store works, so we got that working. I have basically no idea on how Dynamo works. Okay, we gotta get it. It's highlighting here. Victor -p config Babby. SCP config Babby theme to, what is the IP address here? 54208. This thing. Went to at this ~config Babby theme.json. Hey, what's up, Botifara Sequest? Sorry if I butchered that, but thank you for the follow and welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. G says OMFG at 3 p.m. just popped up emergency in the calendar invite name. Yo, if I ever got an email or a calendar invite that said emergency in it, they would just decline. If you're gonna put emergency in all caps in a meeting invite, no. Not an emergency. Decline. Okay. What do you mean, Babby not found? Oh, right. Okay, we got colors again. We're good. Real Dr. Ruka says, chat, we need your help. Get this Dynamo working. I mean, I kind of knows how this works. Sarcastic Dante says, Juiceox here, are you gonna work on pre-commit CI? I mean, if someone could help me with my front end not looking like shit, I would appreciate some work there. But yeah. Anyway. Okay, do we set up a dynamo table for this? I can kind of look at how the schema works. The problem is I don't want to do all of my dynamo stuff right now, but Shazarat says, what the fuck, the repository CD-ROM does not have a release file. Oh, did you not? That's weird. So the CD-ROM : this thing, this is a temporary distribution setup when you're doing an install. It should go away later. It shouldn't be there eventually. Roller says, is the emergency meeting because Anthony Wright's code got partner? Yikes. Yikes. Let me fix that for you, Manjaro / downloads. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, that shouldn't be there. You can probably edit Etsy apt sources.list. And the CD-ROM stuff should be gone here. Like, it should just look like this file here. It might also be an Etsy apt sources.list.d. There might be a CD-ROM list in there, and you can just delete that. But it shouldn't exist after your installation completed. It shouldn't be there. Scale of Justice says, hi all, I'm surprised that you are still alive after the 24-hour stream. I mean, we did cut it 8 hours short, but yeah, I'm alive and well. How's it going, Scale of Justice? Welcome back. Guess what, Scale of Justice? I got partnered. Had a little verified check mark. It happened. It finally happened, Scale of Justice. This file is managed by Puppet. Do not edit. Which Puppet? There's no Puppet on this box. But it's true, it did get set up by Puppet. But I think in order to do more on this, I'm gonna have to do some research on Dynamo, so I'm probably gonna end the stream here. It's been a good stream. I'm very proud that I got partner. But let's wind down here. Oh, I guess we'll answer one question first. Jamrikas says, what is the function arrow syntax? Do I not have something open? CI, frequency / iface. This has some arrows. No, it doesn't. It does, but it doesn't. That one's not a good example. Web GitHub API. This one has some arrows. Okay, so this arrow syntax here is function type annotations, and I have put together a series of videos about this. This is Python type annotations. It is new syntax in Python 3. And intro typing? Yeah. So if you watch this video, I talk a little bit more in details about the type annotations and how you could get started with MyPy and such. But yeah, they're type annotations. Real Dr. Ruka says, thank you for the stream. Have a good rest of your day. Well, thanks for stopping by. Scale of Justice says, who should we thank for being partner? You guys. You guys are what made this happen. So thank you all for stopping by, as always. I would not have been able to do this without all of my viewers. But yeah, it's true, Scale of Justice. You guys are what made this happen. But yeah, let me do my little spiel, and then we'll find someone to raid. If you guys have suggestions for raid, leave them in the chat. And but yeah, let's see. I upload all of my content to YouTube after the fact, and that's to youtube.com/AnthonyWrightScott. Alex, no, you're too late. You're still here. You made it though. Welcome. Sorry, I'm winding down right now. But yeah, I upload all of my previous streams to youtube.com/AnthonyWrightScott. A recent upload that you guys will want to check out is this 24-hour stream attempt. We made it 16 hours. This is a clip compilation, so it's not actually a typical stream, but these are what I think are the best parts. So if you want 16 hours in 90 minutes, that's what this video is about, which is pretty good. But yeah, I also upload educational content to there. I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, and I announce that in 2 places. One of those is on Twitter. That's twitter.com/codewithanthony. It's different than my Twitch handle. I usually say, I'm going to stream in such amount of time, and also I mention what I'm working on. I also announce those on the Discord, which I have just linked in chat, and you guys can check that out as well. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.